Wow. So
say brekum on kwa ko do America tron na de oko na anuanum ko do na de oko na anuanum
mani jana me jema
ko tudi machina ko gin nam 20 series man we
Ofa aba so aba yidin
brekum be ne brekum
oh ya no wo be konkan no wo ko brekum
from brekum to Accra
yo Ofa so much we e wo no ma bebre one se brekum Chelsea lose so much we I think e be the third or fourth consecutive time or mo lose match e wo league ni mu and omu wie so omu sa kwa away enti a match no at bibia mu say brekum Chelsea will have to go into this match some percent to make a point now over am headline back come here was say I will score kotoko to appease the supporters some obodu obeka ya will lose to us
na sa has dey can say ya bi o can say cry okay bibia even to the sense of obema ne boys ni sika if omusha
over over so how you kakra if person related to match we so just here and o lose to us we no and we say who say na kase ko person has say na wo can say ko kase ka players ni chepo ko ba wo miska anya ye and so has we dia the only means sorry so has a we dia the only means obetima players supporters no abojuo abotoyem no makoma atom yam na omani agye and say obeche kotoko no obehye no and as one here all has no kotoko hye na mu odin pa am say na wo hye kra
ono fi media man share kotoko za ba
of us one say na the city afa dey I'm sure say wo nya picture no
fi media man
of am say afa dey wo nya picture dey
getting the picture I'm getting the picture
picture in your father but you still getting it
I'm getting
when
the picture
they say you still get it oh Abbas we did tibere Jesus oh
you go
offer a match we bibia e won bi anti na make say a big match no enti time I discuss some matters with what this and I'm say wow this guy has done a good job because ka enai ye tena ase die ka ye be kotokone has ne more but we say abro no ma de bibia betuma ma say no na obi apese o ka bia na say or respond to it and omo touch wo mo no omo nka omo no ntum din ehwe din say o ka say you pressing kotokone has therefore no mo hwe wo din sa they will want to but also say this it enti a match me de mani be di akire papa me fi mani fiko we match no because the be pia fi mu no especially when bodu say has a besha no ekode a or shekotoko de ade senior appease no obeka no twimu say or the jojo supporters no come say e bia ya odi abam team ma wo na dia kwaye won kan say wonyai but you didn't yet. Or have you? Oh, 80 over. Oh, yeah, but some way. Over match many day actually. But you see, Kotoko are not taking it lightly because Omunim say after this match, Omo ball against House of Folk. Omum pese Kotoko 40 points, House of Folk 38 points. Kotoko loses this year has a besane home. And Adia Kotoko 4 and Pese say with all the troubles in House of Folk, your baby season now has a better Kotoko. With all the troubles in House of Folk, your season now that has a Kotoko. That one Kotoko 4 will not allow it to happen. And say Pese Besia, as I was Chelsea. And to win say na say trouble so House of Folk.
This was a politician. This was a political man. Politicians and somebody and politics players man.
And we politicians. Oh yeah.
The politicians, you know me this guy.
Eti offer Kotoko so any abre. Enra nyime no mkoko do ye. Omo ready. I understand say we no be free sunyane akọ brekum. senior si brekum to sunya na kwanwa enti no
30 yeah 20
enti almost so atoto bibia and trust me wa unua Alexander Manu was spending 3 days in brekum I do because now he has to go into hiding because and I go can ha say obreku no na text messages ni WhatsApp messages ni calls na come so making sure say masa wo say ba kokra ka chen we dem am here you say what is your business for staying 3 days in Brekum? Did we stay in Kumasi when we played Kotoko? Course back one and back of the Kabisa and say who be there ha unya djuma wa ha onto ade wa ha unya hwe wa be 3 days wa ha wo pede wa ha no eti pressure na I call so no and anopay Dr. Christopher Damenya and the team no so move massively Chama K5 no so move omu nyina move akoko ka omo ho e wo ho no because omo ogidie say ese has it sorry Kotoko timi nya saa victory no at least anya e kwa 1 point bi de ese omo fatimi fa Brekum no omo de ba in fact say we take Kotoko faithful so na waso da fom penalty omo a omo giri say they will come back with 3 points. Information na wale has ankwhye unim say Nana Kwame for the past 3 days on that so namani wo wura ha no afa da no kwa de sin shoto no na mu enti everything is set for that epic encounter meaning say eney no say na tie bia no we're going to have a good game because of ade e be sending referees no omo na enya good game ye je omudi yesere omo moye fair in all fairness yenim sem from so onipa ho they may be getting some 1 or 2 enye no na ye ka eno de sometimes ye nyina say ye from entinye na ye ka but obvious and clear offense saying errors no de ya na adoso dodo yesere omo such matches ye ekoyi a ye de ton ye league no omo moye na yeso project ye league ni ento league na league no eso nya de ne munya ehonya akono na emmo masika mre mu na mo teams no no mo referees no
what is the ma memfa ba kontu aso Abbas ahwe na unya tamu at the seba kwa yem fantu aso no said na wo ka no the father say obo din we asumasi wo Brekum no me Brekum fo amenimu mo no empese be say game no be chase omu rura stadium a sabe duro sha ho ntie bebo sadi we yentu omofo oh yes afọ menim
ba also kwa memfa hwe nko
to say ebu aba hwe ho wi no na hwe ni no na sabe wo ha ne kwa menim ebu aba hwe no na hwe nsa no na wa do no kwa ndo mum hwe game na yen kasa ade no eno kwa iwa duma nti eno de yensere ni nyina ma game ni yede nti sa wote say Alexander Manu wo Brekum e bia 1 day or 2 days so oba paka very good eno de obi akran sin no wo so ni Kotoko baba betuma be sheku ma se be 1 week obi ansi kwai yes nti mama yenye ne sa mame ko yi homra ba me se senior benti no Zach
sa has in there ochena
okay
eno susu ye very 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 crucial match. And then 3 days or Enra, and then 3 days was Enra one of the days. Coach, no, I catch a players, no say this particular match on Monshemano. This very match, this particular match on Monshemano. Also on the Monshem match we mano. We are there in some can be a winning piano or no because of a House of Folk any win in this game. Also supporters in the summer launching operation top 4. See House of Folk. Won't you? That's it, I won't you. I'm saying about top 4. Oh my God, that also something in can. Oh my God, crazy, no. Almost maybe we don't 53 points. Also, one benefit has of could get 53 points and be in top 4.
Top 4 everybody. Senior.
Ebiana na Chelsea. I share Kotoko 3-0. But before that game, na Kotoko any Chelsea abo draw to 4 Brekum before I know Kotoko that 3-0 last season no. And on any day even say we yes na intimidation na den yam na ye botuo go in City Park lisa nyina no it doesn't affect the performance of Kotoko on that day. And the thing as my nyina say we want to see a very good game. So we want to see a very good game. Officiating should be very good. Yeah, person after game no. Na referee na better keep the center stage. No about the talking point and I say where they are discuss it after the game. You know, want to discuss performance of two teams. No, it shouldn't be referee na I see all sort of stories around side game. You know. Last season 3-0 no player no share 2 goals no baako or Kotoko Kalu so ka
sa match na me wo ho
opem
niti
opem ball no mienu di 2 net na baako or Kotoko that day one of their key guys na chiro so ball no pan baako or Kotoko ansu, you understand, and see a game that Kotoko are going there with players just last season omobo etia Kotoko on the same venue. We need about 3-0, and it will be some an interesting game. Kotoko without sorry, yes, goalkeeping. I don't think they should have a problem because at least they have 2 goalkeepers. I'm a very good performance. Morrison, a big miss because since Morrison came to that the position now or enjoyable more no. We've seen a bit stability. More food for Kotoko. And for Morrison, the thing is a very big miss in more food for Kotoko. And no wonder Oshe bench on that day, but by the time of card now. Because I'm told, say, or no offenders saying, Asari Nyano, they were told, Nasari didn't put it, say, any team up, and Casson come sanction of it's in a kitchen. So come on, your catcher will say, be careful. Say the upper players now in here. And now sometimes it's difficult to stop them from picking cars. But goalkeeper there, you have 90 minutes the way, and the additional time out so. And a ball call over. A call over, no na ball boys no. A 2 ball no man. That be when Jampo. No, or the nina bobo no has at the hawk of fat. A board no. A na a mudesi chefense. Advertising board no I said or board I could fetch I could father side na
what they trying to also want to or they cause
or play piano the channel one the other side or no
any game ben no
nani the mula some game boy money Lagos cities time 90 minutes aso Kotoko lead 2-0 and I said additional minutes and bob 2-3 and a ball go over into all and a boss and 2 ball man and set over peke na what turn back and so one pick you and all bono and a look of wine fat advertising board one or the other side and to buy a referee man yellow card.
One I'm to first half on the catch almost say or referee man card because referee who the way would delay from first half on the man card on my catch because it was started would be our board would be a for be on card.
And I say, Uncle Fabian, Bessie, no episode, dodgy way.
Good afternoon. Yakwa Homijimo. Yakwa Homijimo into your sound so I'll be seeing Kunya. Last week, and to me, last week now, Ghana Premier League anywhere. You with them with the MTN FA Cup semi finals, it to me so by me, the Aqua Kugu, any Yababi Sim Kunya, the what's in his say. Na ya Ghana Premier League home come on ya baby din na wie na ya the live commentary na eba we a big game to dwa Golden City Park Bekum Chelsea today phenomenon Asante Kotoko etumi so the ayantam so enche bia dwumedi na be sha se we simen say di animu ya tenche bia isko so ya se be ba homa no so na efi watumi so atuja etumi so the amayi nti dwumedi no e baso ten nti ba bibia wo bia mema wa ha esan so e ma wakwa ba bia nti ba bibia wo bia wo bia ma wo monitor commentary no nyankopɔn nhyira na efi wɔnyɛ okese pa nso emfa emma me so bi boutique ewo edum hanum ya me cappuccino ba ko everyday bia aho eno radio station on so eda 24/7 mi hu da o ma sesa no kura 24/7 chama ise bibia bokon so bi boutique de ya na me we feel din no everyday be di nkomo na so min kai within that so obekọ na jese o ya brand pa ni tin efu na so twa ma side baby ko from na so nunum na kwa jama me di say bibia bokọ nte ya no ache ya obi bia so atumi so de ama me so bi boutique tino baby bia obi a we bi ma won monitor comment nyankopon hia na efi wonye okese Ghana Premier League ene yesin kwanya se de me kan ne de ho nsem so eba na matches ahodo ne bi etumi so ekọ so match ba akọ ekọ so bi week 30 na no Nation Saves Setna Blanca Seshe Kanabako Accra Lions entumi so anti ene 2 matches ena eba so na 2 matches eba so Lagos Cities etna phenomenal Great Olympics etumi so de ayantam so dwumedi no eba so no mi nse ya ene dwumedi no eba so ene fi dwumedi yesin konya yede ho nsem so eba Brekum Chelsea etna fi Golden City Park Mani Asante Kotoko ene de yantam so before say last week yamano last 2 weeks has APM Golden City Park echi Brekum Chelsea twomane economy ensa woman ntumi antimu bi ene yomani Asante Kotoko esanso ebo hwan ene bedi nkunim na kamehwese bi ametumi nso aba ahomado so na kamene metifo edikedi nkomana efe majo mo reactions anase mansana adwumedi na etumi so ahya se na se de mekeka ne mesi ade na mfa ntube ne dey kobanesa na enimemu so etumi so ayedin se de mekeka se mo bi ma mo monitor comment ma menchi ame ma mi we because every day bi ono so ebiem e won cosmetics wono ma mo bibia wo twam bia etumi so monitor commenting tin Madam Abrantechi ewo Akwatia Lai omo ben Old King Facer office na hoya ena Madam Abrantechi wa everyday bia ne shops na waterfall ne Adam ya no be ko bia ni TV a oye paneda ne radio oye panel promise ni nyina wo be ko bia nti Madam Abrantechi maybe we will be amade nchia kese pa na ekode ama we na ewie so bi emo bibia wo to wade ni bibia ewa Akwatia Lai kurufum ne tafo ne miaya hudu ni nyina nyankopon nchia na efi wonyo kese se video bia onso bi ma muma amanfo monitor comment ni taxi drivers ahudu mu nyina mechi amo taxi drivers for nyina mechi amo atom ze bibia bokode ai boy juma fama me wa me jidi se ba na wo monitor comment no ye juma so monitor comment no ai se de me kan me san fi jidi se jumedi ne ba ne we ya wo san so betime kan e fi jumedi no etumi so aye fine ti sanity ma menchi apo se gulin fu nyina mo bibi mo monitor comment no KGT afuni na Central Market Dubai masafo ne miaye ni nyina mechiache mu nyina na enwumre commentary na yesim kwanya de ho nsem so bentie nche bia obekwa ahoma no se na efi me ne Isco Suarez nso edi nkomo wa ahoma no se na efi wato aso etumi so de commentary no etumi so de amaye nti dwumedi na nche bia baso na bibia etumi so aye fine enso ho na yebema on se de info no esi etie enso ewo ho na efi me de comment no etumi so de aba na before that no eye Boscheba Electric asada ma na yesi nkwanya na de comment no so ente ya no ahye no so yipa etumi so de ama me se Boscheba Electric asada ma na yesi nkwanya ya de comment no so eba emlepemu no jwedi na Friday kan ba na wi ya me ba be komo simpi na etumi so de akire say eda one enya ye ready so ho Samson Obapa Matilda wo ho Sami wo ho Collins wo ho Richmond bibia bokọ de Richmond so ejina mo so create alai ho no so ebo adwuma so ho nti omunyina o Boscheba Electrical so mudi dwuma wu the man nema so bitumi so akoye na afia tumi so ahwew na nema papa bia wo pe no yatumi so abo na efi wonsa etumi so aka enso ewo ho nti no yenkwa ahoma no so na efi yemfa comment na emfa nto aso isco aba ahoma no so isco wetemenka Okay, iskunya betre ma me why na me ho sa de ne jigu inside here ya enkwa abonten te ba ne sa na se me keka ne ma de sie ne na fi so te me ka
Bon me toka.
You said the enkwa abonten bi ade dem bi ade te say
Wala den ke kumi aboko o ba be kumu mo se so a bi ade dem kama ayo na Antigua, Ghana Premier League match day 10 and I have both doing the part. Our best doing the part. That's the more man and I'm going to Gbogbo wọ́n kúrò ní ìmọ̀kò wá ìpínlẹ̀ náà wọ́n yá sí ìdílé kúrìsọ́ọ̀sì náà ọ̀sìn ìmọ̀kò wá sí ìfowópamọ́ àti ìnáwó ìyá ẹ̀ ọ̀ àti sọ́pọ̀tì ẹ̀kúnná mẹ́ta ọmọ bá a mẹ́ta sọ́pọ̀tì ẹ̀kúnná jẹ́ àpapọ̀ ọ̀ àná ìfọ̀ àjẹ́ ìbílẹ̀ bàbá tí wọ́n mọ̀ sọ́nà sọ́pọ̀tì ẹ̀kúnná kòtò ọmọ kòtò ìlú nìyẹn kò mọ̀ òun yẹ́ yìí ẹ̀sẹ̀ àtòkò pẹ̀tẹ́ wà á wọ́n yìí díẹ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀ sọ́pọ̀tì pàápàá sọ́pọ̀tì tó ẹ̀yẹ́ yẹn kọ́ máa sọ́pọ̀tì ìlú ọ̀hún na bona again study at the area panel let's start yeah you can the line up of the you know Africa advice for money champion and complete the feature of the month and a table you know almost can on something that so economy a two man alone and a focus captain on a secretary of the Mr. African, Kofi Ansi Patrick Manito, Stephen Amankuna, Labian Patrick Congoza, Lord Amwa, Patrick Atieti, Shai Haruna, Super Dow Grandpa, Umuya Manchester Papa, folks and what was from Tomuna, no moment and Kunkude and Famato Shop. Now, Uko Pukua, falling some energy, former player, Emma Patapona, to Ahmed Adam. Honestly, a former player, Marco Abiyam, and Sikoropo. Honestly, our bench, Edwin and Samuel perform. Honestly, our Emmanuel Sapon, a fair chance upon Muhammad Stage. Awuwa Dramani, Abrante Fonso, People of Vincent, and after Christian, Umuya Mato, our popular master and Sikoropa, Moses White, and Focus on other Sarif Muhammad, Eric, Serge, after Amanda Fonso, Stephen Muswalam, and after Michael Jamanan, distinct Muhammad Nuruddin, Baba Yahayam, Nicholas Oteibosu, Peter Apa Amidu, and after Emmanuel Pote, Omoya Manke Bakwa, Pote Francis Dr. Prosper Nante Ogu, Wakeleti Okumona, Nomumeka and Fama from Yakuma to Atom Sikorokom, Uko Benchua, affecting a Japan our then a couple somewhere our home. Captain Emma Kotoko Ibrahim Gala after Sakrat Madu, Palu Watara, Samuel Akamwa, who are and Nicholas Merkel. This morning, when we are answered back for Muslim, and Emma from Jack Marshall and Brian Manta, who more going to the Apostle, life on our river, and the point 7. From it, 102.7 of them. I will pronounce you. Captain on the beach, I have not got your friend is born again. Now, after that, that's some later. Or and all captain on the beach, I say, come and check now. I have super fantastic people. God, that's all. For us, we have to go about the Papa, I can't say, yeah, we give all my fashion, but you proportion to. I want to say, out of but him born at the floor. So, one say, about the discovery of my dad and the son and the Jaudan party and the water canal, who was taken for a potential plan, during the nothing born on my born and Rapid fire Montpellier, what you have to make black and Silver. Life on our 100.7, and after promise, 102.7 of them. And what they can allow, can a Premier League match day 30. What again? Last welcome to the last home game. Otuna welcome to in City Park. I'm a phobia. And after half of a Bayan, what you might come back to me on Miaka. What me are sitting in that Germany Air Trasso. Now I know I am not dead 29. We start to know of Bokotoko. Who gets down? The German Menato, Manito, what a man. Waterman. And Super Patrick. Manu Jode Fahim. Former player Mafia Kumasnas. Media Man Sporting Club Limited. Waterman. Wababona Kubadi. I say, Fanatiki Abona, Yadesia Fabia Kumasa, something for the call. Fanatiki Abona, Yadesia Fabia Kumasa, something for the call. What a game! The Golden City Park. Every man says that in the cashier. Our Dr. Pamiche Sports Complex, our Kumasa Brancas, BBC and Nations Yashabako, Akala Lions and Kanga, Mantinante. And in the terminal to us, Fabia Kumasa, something for the 15 teams. Oma Bano, Kum South, and working. Fanatiki Abona, Yadesia. Fabia Kumasa, something for the call. Mount Adventure. Emmanuel Cote. Mount Adafam. And the Feda Adventure Emmanuel Cote, American team, Nababa Fanadi Matthew. I didn't papa National Rafi. Aksiona bese demi koso parati kapela bona tintente bono ababa diskadio pasi kongoza shana simona tiako anasna waterman and of course water serve as goalkeeper Moses White so and what everyone Adamo Claudia Kumasi something for the ball Rafi Andrews Awusa. What you are going to teach him more fancy? What you are going to teach him more now, your fancy? Fabia Kumasi, thanks to the call. And three cashiers were going to teach you. And three cashiers were going to teach you. But three cashiers were going to teach you. I'm a broken Chelsea. Welcome goal kick. Goal kick Yabona Yadesia. Goal kick Yabona Yadesia. Tanto, Pedabona Simo, 70 Mufala wants to go on a three. A three in a Yaudanka. Adanka Chebon Madame Patrick Cashedu for welcome Chelsea. Ashedu Patrick. Onada Babono. Patrick Cashedu. Kibana Kuntente, Kevin Passananta. What you have done? The Seven Master. Steven Mufala, one thing about Monaco, one that's the Cobra, Omanoko, and throwing. And throwing Tatato, Yakubana Dasi, Fabia Kumasi, Baba Yaya, Omanoko, Baba, Omasmachana, one thing about Monaco, one of the Tatakum South, Lord Amwa, one thing about Bono, once again. Steven Mufala, so. Patrick has said that in one of you. I'm about to have a decent tackle. What a game. Sarif Mohamed, what you want to say about me? I'm coming from us. Papa Yaya, over to my Babona, what together, Lord Amoa, what about the Santo, the Jabon Mayakuona, one about the Manito, one to Yababono, one is the tactics in Kuku, Sarnate. Zakaria Fuson Wabona, Gazi, Fone answer, about the decent tackle, Saidi, a better one more, Moses Party. Which is what I said about Marathon, my Manopote, 7 Destiny Mufala, Yaudampa. Yaudampa, former player, my family Unity FC, the team of Boo. Unity of Boo. Yaudampa. Bona Babadi Manopote, the Pedabona Simonato, so keeper Abu Emmanuel. Akui Manuel Asabu Monicama, I tell one Manatua, Lord Amoa, walking up a Monaco, Bonaba di Shefa, which I want to tell them so, it's a foreign person, Captain Kukuble, walking Mona de Four, who want to came, Mr. Cafier, a Pedamon Monaco, 7 for Panapana, a foul. Nuruddin Mohamed, former player, my RTU, now Claudia Kumasia Santiago. Wamani kana part-one Chelsea Kevin Kwakwamakuna, Jimmy Ronaldo, and the flower of Santa Circle Kwakwadumpe, Jaudankwa, with your madam of Flavio Patrick Flavio Sachuaco, Flavio Pedamon Monaco, Wamabadi Manopote, back to Flavio Pimon and Tatato, Franca Fanta, Kofiatu Patrick, Manucho, Papa Monica, Manucho, Wapedamon Monaco, Wanatioko, Ababedi Flavio Jebon Tatato, Wachibaco, Flavio Jebon Madame Quavaso, Bonabadi Patrick Asiedu, K. Wachibaco, K. Orbani Fonaso, Patrick Asiedu, Coralinaso, Patrick Asiedu, Wawin Konaki. Patrick Asiedu, Wawin throwing on the map, Kum Chelsea. Patrick Asiedu, Wawin Konaki, I'll throw you rather. Atumana Simpson, Bonana deciding, watching your Babanaco, Flavian Pasicongoza, a Pedabona Timo, Steven Papanacona, one in one Cabana foul. A foul, Bonaya, that ya. Welcome, Chelsea. Yabonaya, that ya, welcome, Chelsea. What a game. Moses White, Wapegabona Simpson Chance, Patrick Asiedu, Wakimbona Babadi Chow, Kawanti and Fabonaco, Sancho, Ababadi Avanca for Simon Apote, Patrick Nacho, Yanka after Pizza Aqua Amidu, Naiman Reporter Pizza Aqua Amidu, Yansuanyano, Bonikita Zakaria Fuseni, Kenya Pegabon Bonasio throwing. Zakaria Fuseni Ababana Manifestoing. What a game! Live on 100.7 FM. From his 102.7 FM. Kijina Okumasia Dum. Cut for everywhere. Ghana Premier League. My dear Chachi. Venue of attraction. I have the Golden City Park. Fabia Kumasia Santiago. Omini Bekum Chelsea. Kobekodia Afino Martinson Papa. That's a six matches on a row. You know Mudincho. And Timura. Otum 4 side to 2. Baton inside any first Timuro. After them Coco Shop in Swabaya and I'm here. Timura. King Solomon Akasan after some buying and 3 matches over 9 points, you know. Over 7. Now, on the next game, so we 3 points, you know, and I 4 matches, since I'm copying so I no one Lusubi, Bonnie Kitachau, whichever one of Santa Saco, Flavio Paticongoza, whatever one I show throwing. A throwing I have
100.7 FM.
Jackson Kuku blood and one coming to other from her foul. FM. A foul I have born my Tabacum Chelsea. A Kuno in Canada, why tear them off on the A Kuno tear them off on the 100.7 11 to 12 minutes of game played at the Golden City Park. And of course, no, the game is so barren. Okiampa bon tunia kwa tunamoha Papa Yahaya Wapedabon Monaso Wana Abuabran Chafanta This will be opportunity in us so what I meant Mr. Kafiye Nanko Beti Minibona Ebi Dansa Wababona Subabi And the water came Emmanuel Kote former player, Tamale City, Gentleman Football Club. Now club ya kumancha Santikoro. Yatubono Naso, Patrick Asedu, William Manitia Cabano, Bonaba di Santa Circle, Eric Sese. What's the name of Bonako? Bonaba di Misha Café, or Chebonum Dentaso, back to club ya kumancha Santikoro, Omunako, Padagonako, Ababa di Naso, I throw in.
FM 100.7. Oniadofo.
Throwing Santaso, Yatubana Simpe, Bonaba di Ubejo, what's the name of Bonako? Sawari Bonako, Ababa di club ya kumancha Santikoro, Eric Sese, that's what's the name of Bono. Teacher concentration, so you're around the 14th minute. Kodako 0, Welcome Chelsea 0.
Well, and again, no, all the compare against Hearts now. I think the improvement I think about Chelsea team as compared to Hearts because where the chances are Chelsea within 3 minutes. Not Chelsea, you 2 clear chances. And only 2 corner kicks after sport. If you are not actually the Chelsea now or more pressure, and so Omunian give you up or more pressure of first half. And all check it on the Hearts now. I think that with the improvement, I think come far and. We had the last 3 games like Kotoko. Me up Chelsea woman. Chelsea Yamini Bako and a Kotoko drew 2. And last match, Chelsea Kotoko 3. We back I call you at all able 2 goals. And a player from Kofian Patrick, Ebo 1 goal on 3. If you Kotoko, you're not from the 10, then or more than 3 and that match, no. What I say, I consider 3 goals at the scale. And Chelsea last 3 games. Before now, we were having no better goals. You can have goals 5. Into a drop, you say, Chelsea Bohoma, the last 3 games, and our Bohom. Or check goals, no good one. I was picking up. First half on Tansiku, and Anti and Shabo first half. Let's say some more at Tenapa. I think they are a very disaster. Tell us, Jadden, it's a Dutch protocol. And more Mohammed, so Mupeto Mukinya draw, and I win. I saw Mupeto performance. Several million chance.
What a game! A throw in for Kavya Kumancha Santikoro. A throw in
100.7.
Tumana Sintet, Bonaba Advance, Eric Sese, which over Madame Papa Yaya, Yayakiwa Kutatamso, but I tell Madame Eric, top to Advance Mohamed Nuridina. Nuridina pela bon mama pimbo de fetch. Ababedi mano kote to Peter Aqua Amidu. For Ababedi mano kote. Try so go. Ego. Even that's Mukwala, when you get to I am a club, you come out here, something to go. Whatever. Imano Koke, I am Manina. Oh, yes, Crossla, I am not 7 Mukwala. 7 Mukwala. 7 Mukwala, whatever. Koroko 1. Club, you come out here, Koroko 1. Kavya Kumancha Santikoro 1. Welcome Chelsea 0. Uoteko, Bonaba Tantamto. Welcome Chelsea. The former Cabo for Multimedia. Kofi Patrick, Wapasibana Dama Ubejo, Jawasa Bonum Tatamto, Abama Misha Kafi, Afia Bonum Tatamto, Misha Kafi, Afia Shabonum, Bonaba di Santa Saco, Ababia Bonsa Shaduarna, Anna Shabon Madama Bonsa, Misha, Keo Chubako, Misha Kajabon Monaso, Konaki. Parakita Yabasuna Eretia
0.7.
Kavya Kumancha Santikoro. Eric Kaji Jesse. What a game! One year came, Papa. One of the Safi. It's the opportunity to go. I outside. outside. And all right, Stephen Amankwana and the Nipila Blazer born or the first now. I think that the position of Stephen Amankwana and the lines, I think that we are in association football, the most controversial law of that system. And we are not now, young you bow and the bed is over the editor. And the area lines, years and yeah, my commentary. Yama that line another law, the benefit of the doubt. There be a movie now, Mokorea. Even though I'm going to know it's not offset system, and I know it's not offset system, and I think that the goal now is perfect too, and Ghana referees and officials and the lines, I think that WH get the party will move boss, and then see young pandemic, yes, I be an alliance, Jan Baby, I want to add an it is 7 amount over in Ghana history, or she won't just for the kind house, and I have about for another. Yeah, please, I don't know how come I have a comfort. I know I have to step on some dressing, who are taking Bono, I have go kick. Go kick your Bono, I have just Kobe and Kumabra from Chelsea. And assistant line 1, Tijani Mohammed. Lucky Tijani Mohammed, assistant line 1. Kevin Falcom and Grenia go. It's Jan formation. One also outside. One about the Peter family. We have one Madame Grand Emmanuel Pote. Back to Peter family. Who will take him? That time so. One about the Grand Patrick Asedu. What you want to think? Practice in Kukuble. What you want to do? One is Kitafobia. Omunaba. Ubecho. Wachubako. Over to the Bonapana. Down the Kitabono. Chile Wachubako. Whatever one more not to go kick. A goal kick. A goal kick, and Ghana Premier League match Chelsea. Bekum Golden City Park is your venue of attraction, and your commentators of the day are super fantastic. Isco Moses 40, whatever Ashington Patrick Asedu. Bonabadi Patrick and Sukosi Patrick, Manucho, Jawanasho, Rafi, and Sukosi Patrick, on our branch professor Muhammad Nuruddin, the one Shuana Rafi, Mount Sukosi Patrick, on the 9th from Antamuno, the one Muhammad Nuruddin, Sabin interim, and Tabransani, the Fama Munamunam, Rafi. And Rafi Andrews, Awisha, Ota Fayama Fanta Kobia Kumasa Santikoroko, Lord Amoa, what are the Jabonati? Lord Amoa, Lord Amoa, the Jabonati, Lord Amoa, Lord Amoa, Pedabon Mona, so. Timbona de floor, Bona Baba di Cobia, Omunako, Ababa di Broken Top, Babona Sababa di Cobia, Sobianako, Bonica Eric Sachi Sessa, Gaza Jabon Manatua, Eric, what's your Babona Goa foul? Fire upon me, get your Cobia Kumasi and Santicoroko. Yaudampa, with Jobon Madama Shaibu Aruna, Shaibu, that was Pedabon Monaso, Wanaba Bedia Branta Fasa Mishakafi, with Jobon Madama Patrick Asedu, Asedu Pedabon Monaso, that Pimbona de Floor, Bonisha, Bonaba Bedia Branta Fasa Lodamwa, with Jobon Tatamso, Amara Bedi Ubecho, Rafi, as the play must continue. Already out down on a Kitabono, former player my Unity FC, with Jabon Madama Fimfi, Risaka Branch Offensive Flavio, Flavio Jabon Madama Branch Offensive Mishaka Fie, Afie Jabon Madama Patrick Atedu, Crossing oh, what a mess! What a mess! 7 performance now, with Jabon Tatamso, Bonama Branch Offensive Shaibu Aruna, Bonama Lord Amoa, Lord, Chewachubako, once in a Bonako, Bonaba the Audanka, with Jabon Madama Flavio Patricongoza. Live on 100.7 FM, and a first promise, oh, what a miss. Patrick Asiedu. What about to baby? So Fabia Kumasi and Santiago leading by a long go. Go score by Tim Jesse Mukwara. Opegabona Sibo Yadanka, while you need to Cabono, Panababa di Mukwara, Obetimachana, Wachuako.
Oh, Yiripa FM 100.7.
Lord Amwa, Watubana Dama Shaibu Haruna, Haruna Kitabono, Wajabon Madama Lord Amwa Pedabona Sibo Mishak, while we need to Cabono, and Sukofi Patrick, Wantima Fabono, Peter Apamidu, Wajabon Madama Imano Pote, back to Peter Apa, Obetimachana, Chewachubako, Wantima Fabonako. Nikita Ansukofi Patrick, Manucho, Wantima Fabonako, about the Zakaria Fuseni, Chewachuba Pajabon Madama, and Jefferson Shaibu Haruna, or Bona Chuan Tantaco, Bonava Padisotoko, Omunaba, Padako, Baba Yaya. About Chuba Pajabon Madavisi, Bonaba di Trabia, Omunako, about the Biakum Chelsea, Bonikita Slavio, Pasti Congosa, to Zakaria Fuseni, Zakaria, whichever in Tantaco, and I put a tomato, and such a one Merato, Lord Amoa, Rational Justice in Kukube, and I speak Mukwara, whichever one I show, I come on the floor. What a save! Bona Baba Jabran Jefferson Flavio Pati Congosa, on the Kitabono, with Jabon Maratwadama, and Sukofi Patrick, Manucho, and Jabon Jabran Jefferson Flavio, Gabriel Bonato, Bona Baba Jabran Jefferson Hubechau, Sawajabon in Petato, Adama Shaibu Arana, Obesma and Adana, Shaibu, with Jabon in Petato, back to Flavio Pati Congosa, former player Madama Janata, Wantina Babonaco. Fabio Humanita Cabana, a goal kick.
Onyadofo, what's your Yiripa 100.7 FM?
Ghana Premier League, Manchester City. Fabio Kumasi and Santiago leading by a long goal. Kono Adonche Francis Steve, Jesse Mukwara, Sidi Wenya. Abakwa creation. Onunanya Kono Anima Fabia Kumasi and Santiago. And Koroko, assistant captain, Richmond Uncle, Antina Magamini. And Yamatu Wacheta as in the Yana Papa here. Mount Steven Mukwala. Steve Mukwala Edafom. Steven Desi Mukwala. Okay.
Onyadofo, what's your Yiripa 100.7 FM?
Yabako Pega Brancha, everyone say Eric Jackie Sager. And enough partner so. Rafi. And China by some rancher of Yama on the fence so that can good about. They can water break, and so we are Papa Kulini Tampa. Wakumane who be on the Watasum. Fabia Kumasa Santa one. Fabia Kumasa Santa one. Jekun Cicero. And Focus Forces White. Focus Pama Fabia Kumasa Santa. On a Chinabonaki. Moses White. Wapagabana Chimchente. Etra Corriente Patrick Akedu. On a Kitabano. Bono Arabedi. Fabia. Omuneko. Agapono Akita Fabia. Rapise throwing.
Onyadofo,
Rapise
what's your
throwing.
Yiripa
After Santo. Ababedi Algampa. With Jabon Madama Patrick Akedu. Patrick Kitabano. On the Filibana Santo. Bono Babado. What a mess. Patrick Akedu. Wababana Datubari. I say, throw in Ayabato. Naya de Chabia from Chelsea. Fabia Kuma Santi Koroko, Watubana Simtete, Peter Fabidu, Wantina Fabanako, Arantia Fensa Imano Kote, Wapopo no Daba Hubacho. It's a throw in Ayabatuna Yabetia, Brokum Chelsea, a defensive throw in Ayabato, Nayabetia Brokum Chelsea, Emmanuel Kote, Emmanuel. On the assistant, Watubana Team Tente, one of Babadi Mukwala, Watina Babanako, Arantia Francis Zakaria, Watimbana Rafi, Huberto, Wawini forward Amabrakum Chelsea, Huberto, Wawini forward Amabrakum Chelsea, and Abono Babiagano, Uyani Abibimasi. Patrick Kasiedu, Wapedabona Timo, this is the opportunity. What a mess! What a mess, Misha Kafie! What a mess, Misha Kafie! What a mess, Misha Kafie last season. On your 13 goals, Adama Brokum Chelsea. On your 12 goals, Emma called Kent, Emma Belgium. Oh, Papa Baba, oh, I want to watch number. That class is empty. Capella Team Tente, Motis Forte, or Bona Chadama Imanokote, Peter Aquamidu, Panama Patrick Asedu, Watina Babarako, Imanokote, Wetmachana, Shea Wachibako, a throwing. A throwing. Imanokote, Adafom. Porta Emmanuel. Order from a drawing I ever to Nayanetia. Brokum Chelsea, Patrick Asiedu, or the Wapako Kaimano Kote order from our Munamunam. What a game, Ghana Premier League, match day 30, 4 more games to go. We can be a winning in our part, not 4 games. Yanni Tambe to Yenina. Yani tambe tuyengina nankana yasiya titabetiano nani chanu de say yatabetiano ni diano no imano kote Mausa omede satanaba ababa fa imano kote ade na sunchai kote Emmanuel kote ade na twauma kanu so peda de na kwanchai and medical team ni jina no mo heno kote Emmanuel. A throwing justice in Kukuble. Justice in Kukuble. Justice in Kukuble. Justice play. What to buy him sentence? One night for about the Abrantes and Semisha Cassie. What the bonus? What a Korean Tepana. What Guamancuna. What Yamabano. About the Patrick Asedu. On a Gabano. One about the Timabra Jacopo. Babaya. Whichever Malato. Simin Timuquala. Zakaria Futeni, Kana Zakaria, Rafi, as the players continue to foul. 100.7. Foul upon the Jabrakum Chelsea, get it down, Konokomum. Foul upon the Jabrakum Kumasi, Santi Kodoko.
Say a foul near body tia Asante Kotokwa, Ulamusu Theatre of Doom said, Jumedi Bako Air Coso. Legon City certificate Asher Kanabako, Great Olympics into Meso NTA. Legon Cities 1, Great Olympics 0. Mohammed Alidu and Enyagono, Ediama Legon Cities, Mulidi a Kanabako, 30 minutes and a yet to Mizabo. Jumedino, a 1-0 in favor of Legon Cities. Yet to also a Golden City Park.
And a plan of about the setup show, we give them that a lot of
100.7 FM.
Loramo Tubana Simpente, Asara Loramo, Fonaba di Flavio, Quantina Babanako, Yaudampa, Zakaria Futeni, whichever with a content taco, who bet so, Quantina Babano, Ababa di Babaya, and Santinafa, Fonaba di Babria, Ababa di Abranca, Taxis in Kukuble, or Pegabon Mosek, Yaudampa, Watimbona de Floor, Bono Ababa. What a game! Think another. Game 9-1 and GM1. Already Zakaria Futeni go a free kick. Whichever Madame Branca Franca Haruna. I don't know Jebon so Emmanuel Kote, what club on the danger position. So Kabia Kumata Santiago 1. Blokum Chelsea 0. Nah, Blokum Chelsea 1. Meaning Salaki no Mayo. Tanya Lucky Suno Mayo. Somanya Lucky the Amitimitra. And I'm saying week number 29. Omubo Hasofok, Omulusu 3. And a week number 30. Omubo Kabia Kumata Santiago. Omuda Famata for Mutimitra. Bonama the other
100.7.
Atu Emmanuel. Miscommunication between Kabia. Between Blokum Chelsea defenders, you know. Adu Emmanuel, Ekaki Tuabin Boboka, and I have done Kwano Jinope to a club on the Tubabin throw a gonna kick. I'll throw in after Tantam so, Baba Yaya, Jabonum Tantam so, back to Baba Yaya, Jabon Madame 50, one Sinako, and already Emmanuel Kote, National Suena so, one of our Peter family, whichever Madame Emmanuel Kote, Yaudankwa, Jabon Madame Flavio Pasi Congoza, Pedabonum Tente, one of our Atlanta Famsa, Justice, who bet you, whichever Tantam so, about having water came. Kabia Kumasa San Sigorako, Omu El Pobi. Ababedi Eric Sanchez, young, what more on the floor, Kim, Kerry 1 minute Tankamano, one of Ababedi Branch of Nicolas Mesa, what's your Madame Quiltruin? I don't know, what's more in Saturday, I am a Steven Amafuna, Rafi, Rafi, Trono Monsanto, I see Trono Monsanto. And Wakasa Kabia Kumasa Santiago, someone got to throw. Korababano Papa to throw in Nicolas Sabonsu. What tomorrow in Tantam so, Adaman Nuridin Mohammed, Nuridin Apedabo, Vita Bamidu, Wawin Cabano, Korababedi, Rafisa outside. Outside the body of Jakaria Kumasa Santiago, Jakaria Hussein Zakaria, Wapedabona Sintente, Bona, Ababedi Abrantia, Event Sayaudanka, Wavia Pimon Kama, Flavio Pati Congoza, Ujabon Mahama Branta, Patrick Casedu, and Michael Cherry Camera, Akaki Tuabi for 2 Patrick Casedu, Akaki Tuabi. Fountain so the Jebon Bonamadi Patrick Casedu, and Jebon Madamaya Udampa, Yarampa Kitabono, Yarampa Pedabonbo, Bisa Cafe, Obetma Banana, Afie, Pedabona seems to be opportunity, born in Chicago from Chelsea, Shaguarina, or Papa Craba. Shaguarina, Kotiaka Craba. Shaguarina, Okra, one Kotiaka Craba, Mr. Boshot. The club on the danger position, referee a foul. A foul, Kabia Kumasa Santiago. Bono, a foul, your body, a Kabia Kumchasi. Moses Boise, 35 minutes of game played in the first half. So, Kabia Kumasa Santiago. Oma Shabako, Blokum Chelsea Cimentier. Bono Ekita Abrantia Fansa Simona Makuna, and a play Jabon Watubo, Manicho, Control, Wachibako, Obetimana, Manicho, Mani Justice in Kukule, Kukuadita Manicho, Bonikita Justice Play, with Jabon Tantaso, Adato, Nicolas Osebonsu, Bonso Jabon Monaso, Jakaria Fudeni, or Bona Bakata, Bonikita Abrantia Fansa Nicolas, this is the opportunity now. Goalkeeper Atu Emmanuel.
Oniadofo.
Atu Emmanuel.
100.7.
100.7. Flavio Kwasi Congosa. And a black the fan and I can't dance you her. So Koroko, Oma Shabako. Oh, this is my mother to Fabos. We're born on more now. On Manchester, yes, or move the next beginning. Now move for more matters. We're gonna be like for Bayern. in the quarter for the last time. Ghana Premier League 2023. Umbe anema kuya kwa mamo. Umba je 3. Ede koya ije ankuya kwa karu watara. Ene go 2 goals. Ana ansu ko kuma tinchu. Ansu ba ko wa. Le funche ese wa na nege no mo bono. Omo te say yes. Anda. So mo ko tun ko ba iro. Nema eti ko ede ma mo ho na ma. Iye de no so far first half kudum. 7 minutes equal 8 minutes. Ko je kuma asante ko ko. Enko mo ni ma so we anda. Player ye kono Eric Deze. Outside over the Moise goalkeeper, and I can't tell you if I'm doing a move for 1 month. I'm not sure to get with the yes, getting airport for the future. So far, that's how I'm going to go. I'm moving for 1 month. I'm moving for a move on. They met me with a month for the meaning of a school. Latvia, but the penalty, I'm Chelsea. Moses fighting in 7 Kwakwamakuna. What a chance! And Moses fighting. I'm not the family. This goes so far, maybe I may want to power there. Then I may see who bought it there for now. Make a say a penalty. My daughter, man, make a say a penalty. My daughter wants to be a born a one. Never be a one and be a line of one. Then who are the possible across and the referee and with the assistant line and they will be a born of pen and AC on the air. Make a say a penalty. Pinching my to make a say a penalty. You might to be a referee. I want to decided to say a penalty. What are they? That's not the in case they want to penalty. They don't want to start from saying a penalty. They penalty will start here. So they want to make a penalty and a penalty. And Moses point, goalkeeper Moses point, on a 7 amount for him. According to from commentary position there, mean to mention that because baby I lie in the war. Anybody on one from commentary position, the answer referee. Me was almost 6 points, and it's 7 amankuna. Omukwa I, and I'm a club from roughly Peter Dowsa, also a penalty. A penalty for Broken Sources. 7 Kwakwamakuna. 7 Kwakwamakuna. Against goalkeeper Moses White. And a fly against Moses White. Moses Kodaka. I'm a player, you know. I'm a player,
100.7 FM.
I'm a player, you know. I'm a player, penalty.
You're listening to 100.7 FM.
Penalty. 7 Amankuna. 7 Amankuna. Against Moses White. 7 Amankuna. Against Moses White. Amankuna. Amankuna Moses White. Over to the Bigaya. 7 Amankuna. Ana branch of Moses White. Penalty. Rafi Andrews. Awisa. Wawapa tunabo kwa tuza mata Moses White Grawati. 45 Grawati ni amabono. Ano kase 45 ni pesa bano upye. Yabobono na upye na uchina. Yabobono fufu domo makosi na nima. Ebe chima jani ya boni sa. Penalty. 7 Amankuna. 7 Amankuna. Against Moses White. Penalty. Penalty for Broken Chelsea. So Kodakwani di Baolongo. So Kodakwani di Baolongo. 7 Amankuna. 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 Amankuna Moses White. So Amankuna Moses White. Amankuna. 7 Amankuna. Ya Chancellor Rafi Andrews Awinka. Okay, China Bana say. Amankuna Club on a Swatram. And I say Moses White. So much Bana. Penalty. Amankuna. Amankuna. Ego! 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 Amankuna. Call number 13. Mama Classic and Yamakum Chelsea. Goal number 13 for Ginny Ronaldo. One shot on the former team. Amakura shot on the former team. Normal link up players, we set some former team, some jubilation. Next word here. Amakura continue to come back, you know, and over. Ego. Bono Baba di Tita Kwamidu, Yaudanka, Waklabona de Floor, Ababa Gabon Patrick Cassidy, Asioda Pelabona Simpson, West Colon Pepana, Bona Baba di Manicho, Wantina Sabono, Atlanta First and Nurin Mohamed, Wakimbona de Floor, Bona Baba di Fam, so Bonica Saibu, with Jobon Pedaso, Bona Baba di Ta, Satantina Sabono, Yaudanka, Ojabi Caseba Baba Throwing. And let's go. What taken? And after Kum Chelsea, Mr. Kafir, one Mr. Cabono, one of the other Japan Tentau, the Japan Manasana, Genji Ronaldo, Genji Ronaldo, Chema Chapo, Watching Rafi, Archie Thomas Continue. Rafi Thomas Continue. Emmanuel Cote, what the yellow card? Emmanuel Cote, what the yellow card? Emmanuel Cote, meaning well, what's the card you have to watch him? I don't know, I understand as a professional player, what a ball. I will come to my best flashback. How come what they say? Well, we don't go to my pet and go to think it's now whenever I got. Also, my captain and also call. And who got the Cote Emmanuel only rest for issue. The issue for one of our respect from referee and the Rusa. I don't talk about the and can stress records. They have a stress records. Take the group and a Cote Emmanuel. I Travis Sabinson wouldn't have Emmanuel Cote and as a professional player as he is, referee give it now what could you have to any man and number to four. Mention football as in the group of the Pana Sanyam football man. Kada ko bi babu rosi. The way we are now Dikada, what was him make up for? Udikada, what was him make up for? Mounta, Advanta, 100.7. Nicolas Osei Michael J. Janamum, Watara Fifom, Krobia Kumasia Shanti Koroko. I have coached some of Wadu. And after Dr. Prosper Najokum, last 2-3 seasons, they were the best coaches in our league. Now, they're in the Shire. That time, some of what were after folk. Now, Obakota François, Dr. Prosper Najokum, guys. Every time we know after, you can drop one kind of phone in our first for Black Stars. You can come with pneumonia for Black Stars in the moment. And the Serbia from Chelsea 1, Serbia Kumasia Shanti Koroko 1. Koroko na Sefeko, and a broken Chelsea Ominaponation Maticano, Emmanuel Cote. Ona Copatroino, what day Emmanuel? Emmanuel Cote Copatroino. How about today, Serbia from Chelsea? I throw in a toe. Now you're there. Bono, Ababe, the branch of Flavio Pasicongoza, Flavio, whatever Bono Simpson, Semana Mancra, while in the Chancabono, Bono Ababe, the branch of Michael J. Jamana, with Jabonum Tatu, Ababe, Pasiran Mukwala, Oletma Banana, 7 Dashi Mukwala, Watabono, on his Zakaria. One is the Patako, Amanako, with Jabon Madame Branch of Mr. Afie, Olet Machana, with Jabon Tanto, Adama Branch of Hubeko, Kawa Jabon Madame Mavaso, or Bona Santato, Adama Loramwa, Mount Branch of Stephen Mukwara, 7 Dashi Mukwara, 7 Dashi Mukwara, 7 Dashi Mukwara, other farm. At the Rafi Andrew Sawisa. Referee Andrew Sawisa. What the foul another obsession game so. Referee game so. Live on 100.7 FM Kumasi Promise 102.7 FM. And also our Kumasi and I'm Santa Formula. Analyze commentary and also I don't know and I'm Udam our Ghana with number 30 and I do Claudia Kumasi Santiago and Ibrahim Chelsea and Ibrahim Chelsea Oman Sabako I'm a Claudia Kumasi Santiago Shabako. So game on 45 minutes in the action. 45 minutes later, they would have lost the job so. And I can't get 4 Baba. No, the other here. Going some about you. On the doctor plus Panadogum. Omumia no Pia. Oh, Pia Seretina. Oh, Pia Seretina. And the goalkeeper must point whichever of them that so Rocky Anthony Sawisa Shana Banja Freddy Kani Rosa Shana Banja Freddy Kano Nina Fabia Suman Shan Santigrafa Dominania Felco and I say Welcome to Sana Penalty. I'm a 7 for Pamasana or Chicano Adama. Welcome to first 45 minutes. Abaya. Our Welcome Golden City Park. Welcome to 1. Welcome to 1. Fabia Kumasha Santiago 1. And one again was our studio of promise. 102.7 FM, Oyinpa 100.3 FM, second department of the game now. Yarabana Fayababa Kwato, Adama Asefo, Ati.
You're listening to 100.7 FM. You're listening to 100.7 FM.
Okay. Me dey na sitting in the Bema East School Suarez so abo adwuma pa we gina ne nan so mo 45 good minutes or the nyina plus additional time na we finish the to so no wabo no homo dey come into the fade kan nyina etime so edi amai na first half aba na wiye Masante Kotoko ewuremu Golden City Park first half Steven DC Mukwala enya first goal no Edema Sante Kotoko and from a sport kick. Steven Amankona, formerly of Asante Kotoko. Wababeti Kano, Amana 1-1. In the first half, Abanewe, Golden City Park. Bekum Chelsea 1, Asante Kotoko 1. Bekum Chelsea 1, Asante Kotoko 1. Intiza, Ena Ikuwi, Ewe Fendi Kenim, Tayana Mashin, Sipa. Etumi so edi amame sanso na match baako koso Theatre Dreams na mame mpe honsem intumi so emfa ema on efi me yemfa twumedi no emfa entroso emfa ema Legon Cities etifi ahye kan baako sele medi kan edima wo no me Great Olympics ababete kano amana ye 1-1 until Legon Cities 1 Great Olympics 1 into 2 matches are witness in an annual no 2 matches in 1-1-1-1-1-1-1-1 and it to me so pima yeah the first half abanewe the animation so nyame adma mochina ye sound so be sim kwanya na efi the Continental Club State Phobia has a gamer how many Diana Stars oja ebebo no me ye sound so be na efi the comment you know it me so edi aba na enwa one game so echo so before the game no me the kind of honsem it means so edema nation service etna santimantem ha ehye kanabako Accra Lions if you are by omo plebia omo ntumi so anti kano into nations ewi ne na CCA no yabo week 30 week 30 ne hyase no nations any bia no ena Asante Kotoko bikum Chelsea the Gone Cities Great Olympics amonso to aso na efi nyame yad mo chena ya sanso ato aso na efi the week 30 no so ababigu na efi aka 4 matches for 2023-2024 Ghana Premier League na ye de ba na wi aka 4 matches into we team no na wo team a wo support na wo club na wo support ne da o ko relegation na se wo ji league no 4 matches na aka no Mijidi ye se dem pai body taw team na china so we need 4 matches na we nya 12 points Mijidi ye pass e betumi so aboa amana for relegation zone mu ntine pai bobi a o se wo bobi a ananse betumi so aboa amana ji league no ananse betumi so aboa no we wura top 4 mo e betumi so aboa na efi waka league ne mo nti baby a hope bia no na wabɔ mpaye na wo de ataw team na china efi nkunim die etumi so aye wo de a te ya no ma hye no so yi pa etumi so de ama mintine sanity yɛbɛhwɛ na efi messages ba ko mi ne bi nso aba wɔ Facebook ma minyi emfa emfiri ho Asafo Ej was watching you live from Omofia. Okay. Asafo Ej me da so no message I want to me so they about on Facebook. At the bottom for the need if you Brazil Belgium. Also the message in Saban ultra hi hello. Okay, and also e channel there and so ho. O sound so e so ha. It must change so the message get to me so they about was must win for Asante Kotoko. Okay. Amos me home message no so ho. Dennis Adama me home message no I before the game no and the video ana koso Golden City Park at the two screen so na then say bia no your frustration kakra na you frustrated internet nyehwe asawe fempon so the need about some more fire okay and also then a message at me so aba anana someone so they need if you kunsu kojokulum osa Asante Kotoko fabulous young konkon okay anane my home message no so ho Lydia Bawia okay Lydia Bawia Lydia Bawia was go Kotoko okay Lydia my home message no so ho me wura so ha Osman Mulu so they need aba was fabulous okay Osman Mulu listening live from Milton Keynes in the UK okay Osman Mulu ya no achia Milton Keynes funi na etumi so de amai UK and na ya na wachi o so etumi so de amai yenso ye da o mu nyina se video bi am monitor yen enso ho Doreen Mapalin Doreen McPalin. He didn't hear so heavy. He didn't fed there. Doreen McPalin. Okay, once about be high. And now, Okonti Doreen. Me did pass se bibia and so boko and so ho intino. Winning messages are to me so about first stuff we a yanma question if you more message and so to me so they about and the squatting so Bridgewater New Jersey. In the squatting me did pass which so also monitor commentary din so ho nyankopon nshira na wonyo kese se onso gina so a o monitor commentary so nti and the squatting our Bridgewater a New Jersey with US ho na Ernest wa every day be on so monitor Ernest nyankopon nshira na wonyo kese pa emfa emame enso nti ye beto aso na efe ya tumi so edi komo me gidi ezi sifa se bibia nso bokon so spin die me gidi ya pass sifa so monitor commentary so ni pa pim ni monitor commentary no nti sanete mame fa ye na bo afo ho nsem bi emfa ema na efe yen san so enwura mu Golden City Park na ye emfa commentary na efe to so mi ni no emfa enhihye so emfa ema a boss by electric as an American for Namedia man when they would to me can every day be a yana minu dim como a catch us baby back pay and it was so doing the chilimo a boss by electric as me say with the ma or was born again in a sebla with the Wugna qua catch Eda Frank catch Matilda or Bapa Matilda catch the Sammy me any Sammy say be aboko Sammy I would qua catch Sammy catch Richmond catch Collins say born again in a sebla na ebla bi dijuma wa ha with oba catch you say oh banibia oh baby to akoton na say baako bi na wo pe na won so de di dwuma mu mu bo shebe electric as na fi we paying for ini nkomo na fi yintumi so mo brane yama cables papa wo de ma mini kan fa ye na chiri kwa ho nsem emfa emam ya woden ya wotemi nka wo mu ya eden ya o pa FM o ye pe TV Promise FM Promise TV ye wo mu na obedu ye prisons runabout bon se dan kakraka isi wa ya hwehwe ne ahwehwe blue abon so ye pa sandboard ebo ni bosch chebe electricals sandboard nso bo ho a udu ha obi hu ye na efi otumi so ne etumi so di dwuma oba na oni ya ba bi di dwuma ene ni bia ye ton no edoso ebi eye oba nefi wa ba di gate light ewa ha ceiling light no bla na be jode LED light no oba na on site mi so aka 3 6 9 12 18 24 watt ni na oba on sounds bit mi so aka bi LED light no wa sama na me ni wudi on common ye blue and white nte ya no ahye no so pa etumi so de amame bla na be steady lamp wa bofra no so bitumi so de esuan de enye wa bofra ni mpo obi bia osuan de bia wo hia kanea obetumi so de esuan de enye kanea bia eni etumi so de esuan de enye sa wani betumi so ayo ya da ache na bia akwakonya ni problem ti problem na bla be kanea obetumi so de esuan de na efe ni ma etumi so akoyi enso ewo ho your LED light 150 watt to Roma on Samsung to Musaka CCTV cables and if in the camera no outdoor indoor 360 na or banana Samsung to me so Akebi. Your screen holders standing fan or rent remove standing fan, ceiling fan, air conditioning fan with USB socket gold and switches. 12V adapters, digital video recorders, ningina your Bosch Sheba electricals, wall light, garden light, bedside lamp, spotlight, ningina, the more Bosch Sheba electricals, and everyone paying for. To me said in Como, we will not for Eda Frank in Como, if you to me some more, Miss Willie Nipase, Eda Frank, Eda, Yamisha, what it, Uncle Puncha Pan on your case, and when you are come, so I didn't na. Emfa emma na do don san so be so wa blabo mu bia no o mani nkoyi nso emfa emma eda yini pass nti bomoden ne wi mo bo shebe electricals na efi woni mpanyfo wo ho nyina eni nkomo number no aye 033 0322 0322 030 838 0322 030 838 announce say 0541 125 339 0541 125 339 na when the Bosch Sheba electricals into me in common efi yentumi so mo na mujume de bia wudi bia e be hia sa akade wi nyina no etumi so abo na efi nema etumi so akoyi etumi so ede ama slide so la ha medidi se bibia be fine na wafa baga okoyi o kwen tena se na yenye adwuma yi na nyina yeko slice did say bibia be fine and so they actually din and actually din bag na ya no apibia mama why because they say me to pibi the mama bofra no ya pibi no fan school why did say obetu udo so obetu me kwan ka yi we to na ka se sa na ma bo buko fi janke be bo wa okay it is sanity I know mama saka shabatin so if you had a money fee get to me so eddie come promise eba so me come for na me the amount promise eba then ya what me ka we ya oba won sam so betim saka promise eba so go mo ba na fee bibiduro bi a wo hie bi ya no won sam so betimi so akebi wo mu wa ha na bra be je bibiduro bi a me se wo pe wa bra bo ma na se wo pe na wo di san ho ya we bi ya no wo mu promise eba won sam so betimi so akebi nti bo modi ne wo mu wa ha na ye ntumi so emo wo mu a mo be ba na oba paso no it's wa kama oba pa vida bibia boko otimi ka me chia enyumri vida so it's promise eba onu so edi dwumedi na bibia timi so akoyi nti bomodi ne wura mo promise eba na efi onso enema ntumi so enkoyi so emfa ema okay Sunday Ghana Premier League match week 30 and yesim konya edi kan the first half abane we second half and ye ba bi wura mo na efi Isco Suarez etumi so aba homa no so na efi or the comment no etumi so edi amaye na before say dwumedi no fan toss me no enya ensha se no mami wula mo na efi unum se uko Europe matches no league ni bi ba na wi ye ne ai sounds na nyame yad mo chan league ni bi nso be ba na wi ye na efi next week adam matches no na efi adam leagues no so no etumi so aba na wi ye nyame yad ma da bi mami fa matches edi kan aba so ne bi en fa ma de ma so ne de me ba be so ya no me di ho djuma etumi so de ama okay. Ula muso German Bundesliga anymore. And na German Bundesliga 2023-2024. Yeti abayi yena Bayern 0 for Leverkusen and G League na. No muji league na. Homa sounds like record o. Omane first Bundesliga team Omabo Bundesliga Omelusi game. Ishanuso Omabo Bundesliga no. Bundesliga ma men check it. I think so also Bundesliga bo 34 matches. Also mo bo German Bundesliga bo 18 league. Okay. 18 league teams okay. It is sanity. Bayern 0 for Leverkusen ebo 34 matches. Oman lusubi. Njo masa ye record pa. Mamin fa matches ba ko mi ni etu dwa emfa ema. Heading here at the fish Canon 9 FC Cologne eti Mobako. Union Berlin eti fish me no Freiburg eti Mobako. Bayern 0 for Leverkusen eti fish Canon no Augsburg eti Mobako. Borussia Dortmund eti fish Canon 9 Darmstadt enti so anti Mobi. Eintracht Frankfurt eti fish Canon no ma RB Leipzig enso beti Canon na ko ye 2-2. Werder Bremen eti fish Canon 9 Bochum eti Mobako. Hoffenheim eti fish Canon bako mienu miensa and 9 Emma Bayern Munchen eti mumienu Bayern and edika share first 2 goals. Hey azemne wo investors for ni bi aboka. Investors for ni bi aboka. Okay, Stuttgart so tena fish Canon 9 Emma Borussia Mönchengladbach entumi so anti mubi. Wolfsburg tena fish Canon ba ko ma Mainz 05 etumen so etwa na academy ensama ne koye 3-1 into the ete eho enso no na Leverkusen eje na omo de 90 points in a German Bundesliga. Stuttgart etos mi no 73 points and a Bayern etos mi ensa with 72 points into sanity director enso etumen so abefia ha na ono de ono no ba okase wontena so se wontena se ofu top so be you that no woko otum no kwansa ne ntokwa enso nko baby awo edem ho ya ni gina Ule musu esiya eni musaleche yetifie nhyebi Samson Atlanta nhyebi 7 minutes na yetumi so abo nti wenso ne match ba ko mi ni bi ono so ekoso na ne ma so ne de me so we so ametumi so de honsem etumi so de aba nti ne yenhwe na efi yempusu ahoma na efi yemula mu Golden City Park aha ne emfa comment na efi toso mi no emfa emla na efi Jumedi no entumi so enye fan enso ewo ho minim de betumi so akona minim mi am ni bedim komo outside na efi ma hwe ni nti a se microphone no so se dey obeka ma yin na yetumi so ate so microphone na sa no work ade na jese say your full top o ntumi ye pressure bi wo utuma ye ba utumi ma ye pressure bi de ba na wo ka ne enso ya ka na efi de esi ni wona enema tumi so akoye okay yemula mo na efi yemfa tosmi no na yemfa enhihye so Golden City Park East Coast Suarez aye krado wa homa no so minim so e Ghana ni se Isco what mean ka
Baragan bidia de da metonka
na Isco o ye Ghana ni ana Isco the Spanish for na to o fi Spanish na obe pe gold bi na o ka ha na aha me say edi Isco Suarez de Isco no Spanish for na to ena minim se Suarez so de Uruguay for na to edi mienu o fi ba bi na wo ba na wa be ka ha wo be pe gold bi na wa ka ha na wo ye Ghana
Meno na me Uruguay ni na papa Spain na de ya be tin komo wa chiro me chiro bi
wa we your footballer na
Bon me taba me go jire chese na te me bo kakra lucky for me ni so me go chena man for me can school no so me bo kakra ba you say the my chese to go on the they don't even buy any there no
Isco
o fa to ho so bo no bo yes be kata ju huska de no ano no
nti na o ma me Uruguay ni na papa Spanish
Of course.
Now, Mamma, no papa, me, Omotia, we are anyhow. So, open out the nationality.
Yeah, now, always my half, no, I have you.
Matilda, you're fair to manage shares of white to us.
See, yeah, from which you are 100.7 of them, and I first promise 102.7 of them, Aquaba. I will be Golden City Park, second department of the game, you know. Nina, I can't be honest. I welcome Chelsea 1, Fabia Kumasha and Sikoroko 1. Now, 7 decimal quarter, and then your first goal, and then Fabia Kumasha and Sikoroko. I'm a former player. I'm a Fabia Kumasha and Sikoroko 7 for Kwama Kunas. Gini Ronaldo, and also Ethnic Erima, welcome Chelsea, Bobo Equano. As a stand there, Uba welcome Golden City Parker. Welcome Chelsea 1, Fabia Kumasha and Sikoroko 1. German second half of the attack, that's Timaba Kukoba and the Tata Adriasani. That's a 1 minute 30 seconds. I will welcome Golden City Park. Bono Ababedi Fabia, Wasia Fabonako, Ababedi Flavio Pasikongoza, Onusan Tiafa, Ababedi Avanza Baba Yahaya, Yahaya Jabo Meraco Mafato, Vita Aqua Amidu, Ovechmachana, Chewachako, Wasia Fabonako, Ababedi Avanza Francis Sharif Mohamed, back to Avanza Francis Nicolas Sabonsu, Onusan Michael Che Jamana, what a game, Fabia Kumasia Santicorco, Ominako, Coracon the Movenaso, Lord Amua, Aqua di Bobo, Lord Amua, Wachubako, which Lord Amwa, Mr. Ghana, your talent, your kind of something for the young cranny. Woman in Bono, Papa, Lord Amwa, Jokum Chelsea, season well. The mother of Costro, Papa, Lord Amwa, Subana, Simten, Simona, one in Cancabaro, Bonabadi Sheriff Mohamed, which ever no matter for them, Bonabadi Nicola, what you have Fabanaco, Babaya, Abaya Jabonum Dakoda Kumabato, Emmanuel Forte, Chewachako, what you have Fabanaco, 7 Decimu Kuala, or Pedabona Surafal. Assistant Lawan Muhammad Tijani Muhammad, or Fire Moncha Kum Chelsea. Match 29 House of Bahada 3. Now, Welcome Chelsea and match 30. Kanakobabena Franco. And I welcome Chelsea via our first 45 minutes, and the second 45 minutes, and a good sayable. A foul body at Welcome Chelsea. Emmanuel Conte, former player. Emma Tamale City, and a French Football Club. What about Bonabadi, Peter Amidu, with the one Madame Babaya, Sean Meso. Babaya, what's in your focus on national crime? And Coach Emmanuel, do former player, Mabrekumasna, what about Bonabadi, Advance, Michael Shea, with the bottom Tasso, and I told him my Emmanuel Cote, but you have Pedabonmo, Yaudampa. We didn't talk about the Zakaria Fukeni, with Madame Hubert, Hubert, what about him? Rafi, Andrew Sawini, also Fariamo, Naya Fantakum, and Fantakum, Kumasia Santicorco. Hubert against Sassofo, coach the man of the match. Mencanada, Gemuna, oh, Pokemon, Papa. And we are supporting Canadiano. Bonabadi Sheriff Mohamed, whichever them Tasso, Peter Famidu, Ovechma Fabana, Lord of Modern Wakabana throwing. A throwing I have to know that Chelsea, Santaso, Bonabadi Avanza, Eric Sabonsu, whichever match Fabanaco, Rafi, Flavio Paki Congoita, or in a kind of Bob and Baba Yahaya. Former player Alhaji Karim Bruce Anitim. Kumasi Baskin Faisal, they're not sure boys. Last season, no catching first at Kimberley, and the morning the American had only one papa. No one to Sakama. As a Steven O'Jono and Jordan of Pokudako, River Jordan. And a body of Ricky Capella, what I mean, a go kick, 7 decimal quality money that go kick, goalkeeper Emmanuel Adu, Chobrekum Chelsea, whichever Madakoma Yadampa, Yadampa Chabon Tatamso, Adia Koben Kumabaso, when you Patrick Asiedu, Pedabona Simo, Bonabara di Simona, Amapra, Chabon Madama. Whoa. What a mess. What a glorious opportunity. What about you, baby? Why do you know about them for? In China, play there. Bonababa di Baba Yaya. What do you know about them? Bonababa di. What a game. Ghana Premier League by JKT. Second Golden City Park. At the venue of attraction live on Oiripa. 100.7 FM. Promise 102.7. Nina El Kumasadin, Nuruddin, whichever Madame Babaya, Bonacama Nuruddin Hebden, Nuruddin, Kiwa Chubako, whichever Madato, Banaba Zakaria Fusani, Boban Selfie, Zakaria Fusani, Wapopana Adatubedi, Wapopana Adatubedi. Ake goki shintakato atega bana chimchanse bona bana di simna makura wachina fabona ko bona bana di imano kote chewa chibako wecheba mada ko kuma faso klabi akuba cha santi ko obunya ko national so na so goki a welcome goki Chobrekum Chelsea and I corner kick mom Jaudan kwano wa sabona che corner kick Assistant Lawan Muhammad Sitani Patiboki Kadama Fabia Kubasia Santi Koroko Emmanuel Kote Ona Bajina Bonachi Kota Jebon Tasso Edama Baba Yaya Baba Jebon Batu Kote Fast National Show Bonatinako Ababa di Santa Circle Sheriff Wapega Bonatimo Kotokona Show Atu Emmanuel Goalkeeper Emmanuel Atu Emmanuel. Goalkeeper Atu Emmanuel. Wamakana po. And Wamakana problem to Nicolas Saibonsu. And I said Nicolas Mentamum. Wamakana Bono. Emmanuel Atu. Wapega bona team tete etna koyem tepana bona ba di team na makuna amakuna kebonum aribana to ababa di Patrick Achedu partner so welcome to India to Naya Second acha Trabia kuma acha Kitako Patrick Achedu watubana team tete ubeka wa ni takabano Moses White Ababa Canada Macovia Kuma Santi Broco, Ababa di Kumaso, Vitapa, Bonamaba di Lorama, Olekmachana, whichever Madama Hubetau, Jahubet, whichever Tataso, Hubetau, Cheola the Bonapa, Hubetau, Arbana Tapata, Bonabara di Maco Jamana, whichever Madama Kumaso, Vitapa Vidu, Amzabana Vapaso, Bonabara di Babaya, Abadi Bonatua, Michael Chedama, Watima Babanaco, Abadi Flavio Quasi Congoza, a foul your body, yes, Second Chelsea was sent attack on a pair. Camponi Fifi. Avanta fan Samuel Nuruddin, former player, Ama Real Samala United. Now Kabia Kumasia Santiago, whatever team so Emmanuel Atu. A goal kick, a Bimanola Pedabana team. And the Kabia Kumasia Santiago, Omanaba, Kotako. Kabia Kumasia Santiago. Oma Sabako, Amabrakum Chelsea Sabako. Ghana Premier League match 30. And Brakum Chelsea. O match day 29 Omobosia House of Hope. and I'm going to shoot 3-0. My day 30. I'm a Bokotoko 1-1. Bọ́ọ̀lù ti tẹ́ club yà ọmọdékọ̀ yàwùdá nkwa wàtí mbọ́ọ̀lù fún Sharif Mohammed ọ̀ntẹ́ tí ó bọ̀ ní mọ́tò kọ́bẹ̀ fún ọ̀bẹ̀ so Patrick Asiedu apẹja bọ́ọ̀lù náà sí tẹ́ntẹ́ntẹ́ Justice Nkukubule ojàmì kásẹ̀ bàbàbàbà ọ̀ní Manucho Justice Blay ẹ̀kọ́nàkì tó bẹ́ kún Chelsea Justice Nkukubule. And I want 3 and 5 I know it's a corner kick. On it, and Sukofi Patrick Manucho. Monza Trobia Kumasia Santicorco. Omobayan Sita. Kalu Watara. Last number of Virginia Nunisano. The Pedabona Simona so. Nona Kinako, Mishaka Fie, while in the Chakabono, Bono Baba Diabran, Baba Yaya, what's in a Bonaco, about the Abran Ghana Premier League. Malta Mishaka Fie, that Christy Mishaka Fie Manada from. Ya Christy Yamana Pomuchada from. Mishaka Fie. Mishaka Fie Adafam, and she reps from medical team in Mumra 10. Now Mumra Branchano. Reps from medical team. No, I did not Samako for enter. About the red terminal, Adama Brekum Chelsea. I did not Samako for national under 20 captain. No, Ponsa Kalu Watara. Program Ama Peter Aqua Amidu. Kalu Watara. A former player of Brokum Chelsea. Last season number of Bomot Namianu. But the Bamba Jimianu and Insano. Come in the following season of Bokotoko. Now last season of what Namianu, but they are not clear commentina. Obi Church Akalu next season of Bokotoko. 2 years away. Ampala ni ampabam. Kalu Watara Wababa Yabranta Peter Aqua Amidu. Afriki Kiadanka, Wapegabona Simtente, Seminamacra, why we didn't talk about goalkeeper Moses White, whichever no matter two, Adama Nicolas Sabonsu, or Sabonsu Jamaica, or Sabonsu the Kipabono, whichever no matter two. Adama Simin Mukola, on the adventure and Zakaria Fuseni. Manucho, once in a Babanaco, Muhammad Nuruddin, whichever Madame Sabonsu, or Sabonsu Bonacho, Sharif Mohammed, on Sassy and Babanaco, and foul. A foul. A foul, Sharif Mohammed, whichever Madame Brancha Vansa, Tactics Blay. Lene Kitabano, whichever Madame Nuruddin, Nuruddin the Bonama Sharif Mohammed, Sharif the Bona Kubakomato, about the Erico Taibosu, whichever the Tataso, Sharif Mohammed, Muhammad the Bonacana, will take about the Bonaso. Hubert Hubert, whichever Madame Timacra, Bonaba Manucho, on the Shaibu Aruna, Shaibu Bona Papacha, Bona, about the first Nicolas Mesa, what's my Babarako, Rafi, or Tikmas Continue, Nicolas Mesa, whichever Madakopas Mabaso, Kalu Watara, Patrick Asiedu, one about the Hubert Jawati Babarako. And that's all about Hubert Chow. And about Moses White, whichever is that so, about the number of Shay Damana, one such a Babarako, about the Sharif Mohammed, Sharif, one in a foul. Sharif Mohammed, I'm in a foul. Adama, Claudia Kumasa, Santicorco. Sharif Mohammed, I'm in a foul. Adama, Kumasa, Santicorco. Mount Claudia, and a Sebrokum Chelsea. Omuya Samiano. Shaibu Aruna Epie, Emma Agina Samako for Wabadam. Mr. Kafiye. Tabi Ansu Kofi Patrick Manucho. Anusu Etier. Ama Blanche Afonso Vincent Kulu. Anusu Ababe Rakemu. Tekum Church Omaya Sisamienu. Omaya Sisamienu. Omaya Sisamienu. Vincent Kulu Ababe Ana Branch Afonso Adina Samuakufo. Anusu Ababe Goalkeeper Adu Emmanuel. Wapedabona team tete. Etra problem te panai. Misha Kafiye. Wapimone dato. Justice Blay. Wapimone kama. Adama Moses White. Bona babe dia Vanta. Nicolas Osaibosu. Nick Osaibosu. Bosu. Kewa Chiwako. Watia Babonako. Kalu Watara Odibon Mawai. Zakaria Fujeni. Babona Fio. Zakaria Fujeni. Babona Edafi Danger Zone. Osaibosu and Vincent Kulu. Osaibosu. Watia Babonako. Karu Watara. When you wanna feel, Bona Baba Diaguna Samakufo. Before the Kana Bokufo. Bona Ababa Diaguna Baba Yaya Jebonum Tatamso. Ada Kwamfim Fam. Bona Baba di Sharif Mohammed. Sharifa Jebonum. Adama Justice in Kukuble. On Chachaba Moses White. Wababon Kelpum. Patrick Asedu. Wabini Tapimon Rafi. Outside, I have bought your Jacob Yakubasa Santigramo. A free kick. And I say outside your body at Jacob Yakubasa Santigramo. Atu Emmanuel, Wapedabona Tim Tente, Kubajo, Wawini Cabano, FL. Emmanuel Cote. Kodoko technical team no more one way Maya. Or complaining papa. Luckily Timano or Tiano over complaining. Emmanuel Cote as a professional player, one of the biggest club in Ghana, Club Yakumasa Santikoroko. And our still are complaints in our dorsal. That's what Bona Bina Semana Mankuna. And Robin no Musa. They said that's all right. Emmanuel Cote Chaman Krabutuno. Yaji Tiano, Yajimano over complaining. And free kick. Lord Amoa, Patrick Asedu, Flavio Pati Congoza, Omumia Senegata, what a term. Moses White, Savamana corner kick. Corner kick. Corner kick. That's a double Timona. Kalu Watara Watimona, another corner kick. Another corner kick for Beckham Chelsea. Lord Amoa, whichever Tatamso, Adama Patrick Asedu shot. That's all. Over the goals. What a game. Beckham Chelsea 1, Kobia Kumasi Santiago 1. Mounta Nicolas Mensa. Mensa order from Nicolas Mensa, Channel 1 from Abrantia Vansa Eric Sergi Zeta on the train on Nicolas Mensa Belgram. On the shot, and I did shot another funnel. After pitching so, as you show it to me, by Nasa on my Yambia, I can medical team. Monza for the medical team in the South Official. Omuyisa. Anibraba. Anibraba, Massa 3 points. Edu 90 minutes now. Who here can you mappy? I go kick. Moses White. Apegabana Simtente. Etracolem Sepanai. Bonabadi Hubechau. Chabet Machana. Wachibako. What a game. Hubechau. The Tapatino. So. Hubechau. Hubechau Bono. Bono. Papa. What a player he is. Hubechau. Number 41, Satan Jesse Fabricum Chelsea. Number 41, Satan Jesse Fabricum Chelsea. What a player. What a player. Hubechau. Afriki kama Kobia Kumasa Zamtibako. Moses White. Wapegabona Simtente. Etrakoyem Sepanai. Edina Samakufo. Ujabon Madama Lodamwa. Loda Pegabona Twa. Misha Kafie. Rafi. A corner kick. A corner kick for Belcom Chelsea. A corner kick for Belcom Chelsea. Lord Amoa, Drabonati. Whatever Pedabonati. Flavio Kakukongo Waterman. Pressure upon pressure. Pressure Malta. Upon the Crano Fono. And if you have Belcom Chelsea, that's in Clavia Kumasia Santiago. Belcom Chelsea. Pressure upon pressure. Concentration. Second half. Coming. Well, I think the second half, already no man now. I think that we take second half. Yeah, no movement, almost a job moment over second half. And so far, I think that a temporary road up. Therefore, at the my April protocol. I know we had the temporary road up, and we are looking for protocol. Picking up our airborne, I think our Mumbai compared to get up. I will conquer chess. I told you a moment for Mumma pressure. And chess in the last game, I check for our last game. Goes in a by 6 and 80. If you are not sure, it's 6 phobia, say it's a minute. Chess, you bet you the action you give me. If you are talking to go very careful, I was coming up. And that's I think that church even Asher, a protocol, and a 7 amount clear. I mean, one about who bet Joe Banana, John Chapa, and some body copies, introduce you into the first team, and on good anymore. And our new coach is I friends and my body number, who bet Joe Banana. He came against Chelsea, he came against I have to cook, he came against Mediama, he came against protocol, or the player that we are fans, and it is a Kitabo now with or Baction. That's it, and Energy. If you hear the way I got from Memphis and left Paso, or Tanny, or Tanny, no more than Abo from now. No, sir, that Ojibona, I didn't answer the other. Oh, Yamo who bet Job and Hinabaso. So, oh, boy, Madam Blue by protocol, and so we are very careful. I will be second half because the Kunches second half for Abo. Last 5 games, almost at the first half goes to a 3, and then the other one, and I can have goals, I have 5. Until Munya become one at the more record, I was second half on a quantity, and last year for the Cobadia training now, I had second half. Into way, as a number for a drama for Kayanum, for the call, last year, Melissa Yako, and on my train. I saw my belly cap was second half. And Madika Canada. Bono Arabedi, Nicolas Oterochu, Zakari Officeni, Wakimona de Joe, Michael J. Jamana Fabonako, Ababedi Manuel Cote, Akina Fabonako, Simona Mancora, Anapina, Jinjini Ronaldo, Cabona Simo, Misaka Fiona offside. Offside, I have born now, Yeretia. Offside, you are born now, Yeretia. The Kunchasi. Peter concentration. What a game. The game now at Wato. Bono Akita Fabia Kumasha Santiago. What Pegabona Sintense, Etrapoyente Panay, Bono AFL, Bono Ekita and Bono Ekita Patrick Ashed was a Bono to Vicente when we miss Cabana, Bona Baba di Lodamwa, Obesima Cabana, on the Misaka Fine, miscommunication, Nicolas Bonsu, Nicolas Mesa, when we miss Cabana, Bona Baba di Aduna Samaku. Aduna Samaku was so 1 year throwing. Throwing live on 100.3, 100.7 FM. Or 100.7 FM. Promise 102.7 FM. Nina o Kumasi Adu. Atania say Chencha. And the Bono. Monza don't have them, so Lord Amoa, other from Lord Amoa, or the Famama medical team. And Red Cross running Jamie content. About a safety flag, you have a Lantano. And the brother. Jokum chance one, Kobia Kumasha, Santiago one. Jokum chance one, Kobia Kumasha, Santiago one. Throwing at the Rakamako, Tubona Team Center, Bonababa Division Kulasamwa, Kulajabon Tataso, Bonababa Division Kufasamwa, Bonababa, Simonapra, Adamfra, Ujabon Madama, oh, who bet you? Santamso, Bonatinapo, Pasra Kono Soki. Semana Mankuna, Chester go to non living touching goals. After touching after football. No, Bonava di Santa Taco, Baba Yahaya, Jabon Santaso, Adama Imano Cote, Cote Jabon Baku Baba, but I can't want to my Imano Cote. A goal kick, and a born in Canada. The one papa, goalkeeper do Emmanuel. Goalkeeper do Emmanuel. Whatever one I can send, about the Flavio Patti Combosa, Flavio, whichever one Tataso, and that's what I'm Lord Amoa, Obesma Banana, Cross so, Sheriff Mohamed. Atimona the front throwing. Sheriff Mohamed and the throwing Mount Lord Amoa. Lord Amoa. Watubana Simtente, Misaka Fie, Wabri Misaka Bonabadi, Avancha Fansa, Steven Dakimukola, with Jabon Madaswa, Adama Nicolas Mensa, Zakaria Futonia Foul. Zakaria Futoni, what Chabran Chavans and Nicolas Mensa for? It's a yellow card. A yellow card. And the branch of Michael Jamina. What I channel to Flavia Kumasa Santiago. Monster Rosino Afro American Team Samara. Rocky Afro American Team, Michael Jamina. What sorry, other channel I saw. What other channel I saw. Michael Jamina. Sorry, I didn't know. Free kick from Fabia Kumasa Santiago. Free kick from Fabia Kumasa Santiago. Nicolas was able to. Able to for Fabia Kumasa Santiago. Bono Akita Fabia, Ominako, Bona Baba di Santa Sacco, Baba Yaya, Wachibako, on a lot of more, or Bona Toyama Nicolas Mensa, K. Wachibako, Nicolas Mensa, or the bonnet for 6 hours, watch the game. I did not have one for. I did not have one for. The winning captain for our next under 20. All African game. On an team captain of our next under 20. Coach Desmond of Friday Timo. Bonababa de Vicente Kulu. Vicente Kulu, Chewa Chewako. Kulu. Whichever one of the Kumabato. That's what I'm a Flavio Patrick Flavio Silvana Adama Patrick Sedu, Patrick Pedabona Tinted, about the Mr. Cafe, a free Chevron, motive twice. Motive twice at the bottom car. Adama Flavia Kumaka Superco. Bonababa Japan Nicolas Sabonchu, whichever one of the Kumabato, Bono Kitavanta Muhammad Muridin, a throwing Fabia Kumasa Santiago, but defending throwing. Tanto, Rafa Monchicaso, Monta Fabia Kumasa Santiago, Michael Che Jamana, what you? Michael Che Jamana, what you bottom. And the Fabia Kumasa Santiago. Bonara di Ladama, la Lesna Bonana, the Pedabona Tibonato, Timona at throwing. Manta Senate somewhat stopped on. Whether I'm Fabia Kumasa Santiago, what is the Lodamwa, Lodamwa in Tato, Adama Vicente through. So what a man. A quality Fabia from Chelsea. Quality from Chelsea. Monza Venture from Chelsea, Sapa, Fabia from Chelsea, and Sababa Gedrum. Lodama Pedabon, one of Napa, already Babaya, Babaya Jabon Tato, Patrick Asiedu. Vincent Kulu Asamoah. Ghana Premier League Magde Chelsea. Fabia Kumasa Santiago. Bona Baba di Texas in Kukuble. Captain of the day. Pedabona Quintente. Zakaria Fugeni, Wakim Morning Tato, Bona Tinako, Lord Amoa, Sharif Mohamed, Bona Baba Sharif Mohamed, Jabon Matato, Imano Cote, Control Antio Pabano, Imano Cote, throwing Tato, that's one of them of Flavian Paticongoza, Flavian, Rakian Santobano Bufro. Rakian Tobano Atubano Adama Bansa Rampa Jabon Madama Patrick Asedu, David Bona Papa, Steven Mukola, and Patrick Asedu, one of the Abdinata Moscow, quite Jabon to about the mission of the Turkey Fabia from Chelsea, Fabia from Santiago, one of the Texas in Justice play. Unquote, blood transfer pattern. I'm in Namtobuya. Oh, I remember. One about the Bancha. Baba, I am Japan when I put on Mamato. Nicolas Capella. Sharif Mohamed. Wababana Yatubabi. Sharif Mohamed Ababana Yatubabi goal kick. Goalkeeper Adu Emmanuel. For Blokum Chelsea. Goalkeeper Adu Emmanuel for Blokum Chelsea. And the bouncer branch of Vincent Kulu. Otokuni Nine Susa. Vincent Kulu Ajay. Vincent Kulu Ajay. Otokuni Nine Susa. And Boki Kapayabana Timo. It's a problem. One answer. Ababia Babaya. Whichever one I told one Nicholas Mesa. Nicholas Mesa. What's your Babanaco? Edwin Asamaku for. Whichever one Madame Laura Moa. On to the Bonatua. Bonabadia Banta Frencha. Who better change? Who better Babanaco? Who bet on Son Subano? Bonabadi Panachamoa. Someone Jabon and Katanso. And of course, Santa Circle. Bonakita. And who wants a game? Prokum Chelsea Patrick Asiedu. And the other one the other. Why we go kick? Why we go kick? Adama Prokum Chelsea. 82 minutes of gameplay. Still 1-1. Prokum Chelsea 1. Fabia Kumasi Asante Koroko 1. For the Kita Vincent Kulu Asamoah, whichever one I came home, whatever one I saw throwing. A throwing on the mark, Fabia Kumasi Asante Koroko. A throwing on my Fabia Kumasi Asante Koroko. One quantum ground. Koroko one person, but I was The two-man show. Adama goalkeeper Moses White Chebonum. Adama Abranta Justice Bleu. Obetia Babana. Bonantinako. Sheriff Mohammed. Babana the floor. Bonakita Abranta Hubert. Hubert Jabonmana. Hubert. Bonaba Division Crew. Foul. Foul in favor of Velcome Chelsea. Foul in favor of Velcome Chelsea. Foul in favor of Velcome Chelsea. Fabia Boni Dane Dunsea. Fabia Kumasi Asante Koroko. Na Wakaya Brancha Fanita Steven Odro. Yeah. Akomko. Chancellor. Akomko. Amana Kanchaho. Fabia Boni Dano. Ankari Velcome Chelsea. Anka. Taxino Usha Kwachimoto. Okokobo Fabia Kumasi Asante Koroko. Obekina Chesea. Watch your wine at 200. Free kick. Aduna Samoku Flavio Kwasi Kongoza. Lord Amoa. Omumia Sana Jinabonachi. Flavio Kwasi Kongoza shot. That's all. One at Tinako. So everyone was in Abrofinum. Refugee foul. A foul. Mansa Branch Evans and Nicolas Osaibonsu. Order from Velcome Chelsea are likely to stand in one boom. Velcome Chelsea 1, Fabia Kumasi Asante Koroko 1. What a game! Bono a free kick. Moses White. Goalkeeper Fabia Kumasi Asante Koroko. Whatever bonus tomorrow, Traquarium Tepayan, every night I'm up for. But Timbo on the floor, one about the division flu, whichever one I saw them who bet Cabono, what about the Avanta? Seven of us now, what do you have Babono? What about the Babaya? Whichever one Madame Abranta. What a game! Velcome Chelsea up against Fabia Kumasi Asante Koroko. That's play. Whichever one that's all, one night in Yanko, Baba Yahya, what's in Fabono, one in Kitap Chelsea, Ominako, one about the Velcome Chelsea, passing out so and so, outside. Kevin Kwakwaman Kuna outside. Kevin Kwakwaman Kuna. Why outside? Mount Abrancha, Francis, Emmanuel Sapo. Emmanuel Sapo, by Abrancha, Francis, Flavio Quasi Congoza. Rastaman throw one stone over game room. Emmanuel Sapo. Rastaman throw one stone over game room. What about the Abrancha, Francis, Flavio Quasi Congoza? Emmanuel Sapo, by Flavio Quasi Congoza. What a game! Flavio Quasi Congoza. Capedabona Simtense, Etracoyam Sepana, Rafi, also outside. Patrick Asedu for Cum Chelsea. Patrick Asedu. Wapedabona Simtense, Etracoyam Sepana, Bonabadi, Abrancha Fansa, Edina Samakufo, Watimon Kama, Bonabadi, Hubert Joe, Hubert, Robert Mamabona, Joe Hubert, Joe. Wachibako, whichever way I saw, I am a Lord Amoa, Joe Hubert, Lord Amoa, Lord Amoa, Lord Amoa, Lord Amoa, Lord Amoa, Lord Amoa, a corner kick. Open somebody now. Oh, Hubert Joe in some Hubert Joe in some Bonqua. Joe Hubert, a crowning in Bonabo. A corner kick for Belcom Chelsea, Lord Amoa. Apedabon so one Asiako, Baba Yaya, Baba Macanfo, one Yako, about the Simona Macra, Nasia Club on the fuel. Yakrabon at the fuel, and throw in for Belcom Chelsea. And throw in for Belcom Chelsea. Patrick Asedu, Watumana Simtense, for Amaradi. Abrancha Bansa, Edina Samakufo, whichever Madame Abrancha Bansa, Patrick Asedu, Asebra Jeborum, one is Abrancha Hubert, Hubert, one of the body for one of Abadi, Patrick Asedu, Wapedabon to Poki Moses White. Mount Abrancha Bansa, Vincent Crew. Vincent Crew Ajay. Vincent Crew Ajay. Mount Saba Pakinaso. Claudia Kumasi outside the 1. Belcom Chelsea 1. Ghana Premier League match 30. And what Jing? Jachatro. Make Canada. And what is Kumo? What a game. Claudia Kumasi outside the call. Oh, my brand Tiabaku Chelsea. No, the game moment. Wachano Adaswa Rafi Moses Point Yababa Fabono, Moses Point, Goalkeeper for Claudia Kumasi Santiago, Moses Point, Ona Kitabano, Moses Point, Moses Point in a Kitabano for Claudia Kumasi Santiago. Wapedabona Simtense, Emmanuel Sapo, whichever one Patato, Adama Semana Makuna throwing. And throwing for Belcom for Claudia, Kumasi Santiago. What a game! Outside.
100.7.
Outside for Belcom for Kotoko. Apedabona Simtense. Apedabona Simtense. Bona Ekitama Emmanuel Sapo Emmanuel, Washington Bona Babadi, Shantakano, 17 Jesse, whichever one Madame Sharif Mohammed, our Santa Sato, Wapedabon Monato, Zakaria Penny, Bona Babadi Loramoa, Che Wachimako, Loramoa, whichever Madame Misakafi, appeared one of my Emmanuel Sapo, Bona Babadi, Nicolas Obosi, Nicolas Mesa, John So Germany, I want Kotoko 1, Chelsea 1, minimum who came now from the second goal. A bad game because both me and Katie now chances. Keep it my second goal. I'm going to make chances here. But I'll be there to give me a dormant. So we are creativity no our form. Players when they are not creative enough to create chances. The best is says now go. But at the level of the game, because they are look at the level of the protocol neighbor put this media. Intensity, you know, they're supposed to do something else, but how to create creativity, you know, and we are players and I think they're really all the things that you like it to see creativity. It's only players now, I don't have a buyer here. Never say, I shall regard the more ever creative enough. It's a man who never creative enough. But they're not creative enough to get a chance for the attacker to score. And I think it's a huge blow to Ghana football. But I think it's go over there. You can't do more money there. I don't expect any go, but go over the engine one day. Bono, I can talk about Kuman, throwing Patrick Adiodu. America Adiodu. Akumana Tintente, Etrapayon Seven Anakuna, whichever way as well, Vincent Kulu, Akonaki, Vincent Kulu Ajay, Marina Konaki, Kagama, Gokum Chelsea, Hubert Joe Banane, Bono Abara Guitar, Patrick Adiodu. Apesar para Tigre, nação, já tem mora a região, mora na terra, é de matar uma pessoa, o diabo não tem texto, é gol kick. É gol kick, for club ya Kumasi Asante Koroko. É gol kick, é uma club ya Kumasi Asante Koroko. And é gol kick, é uma club ya Kumasi Asante Koroko. 90 minutes in the nation. Real 5 minutes of extra about 3. I got 2 minutes. You think about asking 10 days. One is 7 Kulu. The German man has to goalkeeper Moses fighting. Goalkeeper Moses fighting. Ababana Dasho, Atubana Timonato, Banabadi, Abrante, Nurin Mohamed. The Abrante Adina Samakufa, whichever Madame Patrick Atiadu, Atiadu Petabonum, that's one as Yako, Imano Forte, Posa Crabon, Adam Fitness Zone. 0.7. And throwing for Chelsea. Patrick Atiadu. Patrick Atiadu Tubono, Nato, Yapimora de Shaw, Bonnie, Abadi Baba Yaya, Bonabadi, Chow. Uben, Wantinake, Bonabadi, Kalu Watara, Wapiabona de Mazeti Mukwala, Mukwala Jebon Marato, Quatako, Omunako, Papaya, Amaya Jebon Tataso, Adama Kalu Watara, Watala, Notri, Osia Foul, Bona Abadi, Patrick Akedu, Wabisi Plema Patino, Wapabona Tibonaso, Bonabadi, Timonamaka, Wantina Babono, Abadi, Patrick Akedu, and I saw Abanta. Second crew, who has never gone up, Abadi, who bet Joe, so I kept on Madame Lodamwa, Imano, one Abadi, Lodamwa, on an alcohol, Lord Nako, oh, how can I kick? How can I kick? A back kick. A back kick for them from Chelsea. Ghana Premier League, Manchester City. Ghana Premier League, Manchester City. And why I say, what I came, and what I did was I Sharif Muhammad Sokotoko, other from Lord Amoa, what are they going to kick it? Lord Amoa, whatever I see, I am Michel Gaffier. Why don't you want your mother from Chelsea? Welcome Chelsea too. Welcome Chelsea too. Welcome Chelsea too. Welcome Chelsea too. Come here, come on, Chelsea for one. Welcome Chelsea too. Stop that. Hey, I said what's the boy for some for that. Someone from that. Mr. Gaffier, why are the two Jamaica from Chelsea? I'm not tranquilo better. The program of the Team already. Sabia Kumar can't do it. I'm not tranquilo for America. You don't get some of your champion about you. Let's get out. Nothing up. Let's get about your country now. About your body city park. Welcome Chelsea. Welcome Chelsea. Welcome Chelsea. Welcome Chelsea. Welcome Chelsea. What a game. Welcome Chelsea 2. Claudia Kumar Chelsea go one. Give me a yapon. I'm a body yapon. Give me a phone. Yeah, phone. I think that Ulama, and okay, Obama, the country of the church is picking up. I'm a monitor. Or move on from Mission. You go now, picking up. We go on last 5 games, and I can 5 games. Or much of picking up both, and I can one, or much picking up both 6. Then, you know, better goes I can. And they're not sure the church when you are moved by. Picking up, and that's all this year. I can't help the church doing. And the never one. I know I have to start concentration. 90 minutes after Cafiata, 90 minutes of barrier. Let me show my chance to support that. Now, any support that. What a go. Chelsea. Omusha. Second goal number. Manager man, any support that. How do you think you are? Secretary of the State in the Brasman. How do that's a game. It's over here like a killer. I understand for after the Sumatra and the Cotoco. I'm sure going to put the people as here. I'm going to first of life for 2 balls and 7 minutes ago. Cotoco funny, I'm going to say, I'm delay with time. I'm going to but being a deputy from someone, I was not the pressure. I want the pressure now with the stick. I thought I'm going to go. This I am one of the people like that. I'm going to go to a fantastic group. I know I want to be, you know. After that, carry up the in the Brahman, you know. Now, I am in Japan,
over 30 for number because losing to Microphone at home 3-0. Now, I have it's not the time the second partners of the game will talk about body late. But after everything, starting at 1 and they deserve the 3 points. So kudos to the guys.
I know I have to come to support and I'll teach you much come on Mokani Chapua. And I got to come Chelsea. And it's them as a part of the Gusu Kazata. Nakilo Beramanda. Actimani Jam. And from John our studios of Florida. And the 0.7 Promise 102.7 so nothing. Ya can you the bomb so now can you I feel for
Isco what's the oh okay Isco if you are home so okay we see Jimedi ding net means Abanewi a Golden City Park Jimedi ding in Abanewi it's young finance you know Emfa Emma Isco Suarez why are Jimedi now Waboy Juma Isco Gina now so at the comment channel at me so they are my 24/7 way 90 good minutes ning now Gina 9 so at me so the comment at me so they are my plus additional minute refinate to me so the toss no wabotuma at me so IBB the comment ya just mu hwam me muda ho na efi mutie at me so they are my nti Isco nyankopu nsha na efi onye okese na wonfa nkodu fi asundue mu se emfa emma ye na efi nyame ya adoma ye nyina ye nti ye ho ka na efi dwumedi a ye nyina ye di no ye ntumi nsu ni ne ma nso enkoyi okay Sanity Ghana Premier League match week 30 eshase enla na nation set na fishe kanaba ko Accra Lions ethic antumi so anti enti sa enso na ekowie ene day dwumedi na masugusu a mo monitor mo tie like comment no Brekum Chelsea etna fie Golden City Park omo she kanimi no Asante Kotoko eti mo ba akoma ne koyi 2-1 Chelsea 2 Asante Kotoko 1 Legon Cities etifi e theater James Ashe kanimi no Great Olympics ati mo ba akọ nti sanso na etie enso ewo ho ntino ye henefi ye di dwumedi no said etie no etumi so ai ntino mami hwi okay inti insanity yenhwe na efi yemfa Manchester nyame ya adoma echi na betumi so abaso na emfa ema na efi me yentoa so emfa emfiri ho aha 100.7 FM na efi 102.7 commentary position Ghana Premier League match week 30 na efi yesim kunya na yesim kunya me yede honsem so eti ebaye na ma menhwe na efi memfa week week 30 nyame ya adoma china matches ebetumi so abaso memfa ema na efi yenhwe atwede no yenhwe atwede me didi say bia with team no me bia kwa da no pe hu there was say yetumi so ehwe atwede ne na efi yetoa so enso edi fe na efi edi week 30 no nyame ya adoma china matches a ebetumi so abaso no yetumi so edi ma onsa na yetumi so aso wetumi no so etumi so akọ ye sound so beba homa no se na efi aba be fa course na efi ye ne tii for etumi so edi nkomo wa homa no sima base dunum 15 good minutes no ye de be fa base 1000 course na efi ya to so etumi so de efi na efi de ho so etumi so aba se na nyame ya admo china matches na ebetumi so akọ Has ebetna Accra Sports Stadium no money Adriana Stars etumi so abo Mbechebe United ebetna fi na Fusu G abo park Mbechebe ne Kawere United na ebebo Nso Atemana FC ebetna na Kwamansa Park nso atere omani be bi ni Gold Stars game no so betumi so abaso yebewule mu so Western Region ebo takwa Mediama Sporting Club ebetna takwa Akum Park Mediama takwa Akum Park na efomani we Tamale United etumi so abo FC Samates 1996 ebetena Western Region ewo Samala Boy no mane bofo etumi so abo matches ni nyina ye no miensa na betumi so abaso Dreams FC betena fi ewo Theatre Dreams no miensa mane Pando Heart of Lions ebetumi so abo nti ya no ma hye no so yipa etumi so de amame nyame ya admo chena week 30 no yebewie na bibia enso etumi so akoso has etna Accra Sports Stadium amani Adriana Stars ena ebo inso Atemana FC etna fi amani bebi ni Gold Stars no so de yantam so Mbechebe United etna na Fusu G abo park na fi amani Kawere United so etumi so abo Mediama etna takwa Akum Park amani wi Tamale United ena ebebo FC Samates 1996 ene bofo ede be yantam so na Dreams FC amani ewo Theatre of Dreams amani Pando Heart of Lions game no etumi so abaso nti we nso ne matches a nyame ya admo chire betumi so abaso na efe ye de dictate no aba biguna nyame ya admo form matches na aka no ye wulem na efe ne man so akoyi na muntie me ye pa na manhia no so nyame ya admo Sunday ye twa de ba megidi ye sa fixtures na be ba bonten next week and a has my main check and from a has and a Asante Kotoko we Kotoko na etna efi nti Asante Kotoko and a has and a bebo nyame ya admo next week a big game. The Ghana version of El Clasico. Yes, the Ghana version of El Clasico. Asante Kotoko ukuma apem ebeba fabulous. The Continental Club Masters Phobia, the Rainbow Colors. Almost modi enso no. Itino bibia betumi so abaso kama. Nyame adma Sunday na me won hihye ba akumi no bi a me ne metiefo beye. Intino nyame adma me confirm bibia se be Saturday ba me gidi say a Ghana version of Air Classico ne the everyday bi a Sunday. So mo de Sunday na fi bibia nso atumi so aye fine. Nyame adma Sunday and as Saturday na fixtures na kwa be ba bonten na say has a Kotoko game ne beba su Kumasi Babaya Sports Stadium. Say na nyame aduma ebe nti metiefo mu ntie me yi pa. Nyame aduma has any Asante Kotoko game no there be say me bo Kotoko first. Ezanzo mo na etena fi. Asante Kotoko NFA has a game and nyame aduma beba so next week no. Me here ko studio ha na set. Said every day be I'm name tif with you nkomo. I was say me created this opportunity na FM name tif for nipa and 9 say ni ebe no. Me pe oba baako a oye chiteni ye pa Edema has. Edema Asante Kotoko. Oba o support has. And oba o support Asante Kotoko. Die hard in American one say mo die hard supporter. Ho asem na American na fi masanfo me sanso hia bema ba ko no so die hard Kotoko fan anase supporter anase has supporter nti nyame ya don next week na me invite mu studio ha na game Asante Kotoko ene has ebobo no na ye di ho komo with studios. This is a great opportunity me dey ma metie for na nyame ya don next week game ebeba so no me the hon sem etumi so edi yetumi so edi hon komomom na fi bibia aye fainti oba baako our support has bema baako support has no mote ha oba baako support Asante Kotoko bema baako no so support Asante Kotoko no so te ha na wo ba ese wa ho fesuo no ese wo club no so ho o ba wa ho fesuo no e wo se ese wo club Asante Kotoko anase has nyame adman next week nti muntie me ye pa nti no me the number betudwa nti me the number betudwa na me hu because me tie for every day be dey nkomo mo fleba so ye dey nkomo ma bibia ye fine so me say has na Kotoko body a say nyame adman next week ye ma mo best studio na fi bibia ye fine nti na we oba ba ko be ma ba ko next week ha if you to akle mo bitu if you want to claim be too. Me for me number ni to just say na me gidi say me the number no so be to dwa before I see my fa course na wi no na fi mo wi a wa wo be frɛ me no tia because say me every day be a me hum mo frɛ ni bibia na fi yen hihye na fi me den hihye na to anim off air na nyame yadoma Asante Kotoko no has mo be studio na fi ye to aso di free ho na dwumedi no ewie me the number ni betu dwa me ma fa course na wi a me sorry so na if wetumi so afre me na me the opportunity we the amount na if wa ba betena ha nti we selective na me nti no se bibia ni a fiti nyame yadoma next season dey kone de ye de meden hihye foforo kwa be gu akwem na day in day out to be a studio be no ye nya one of our listener no so support team na airborne no na oba aseme that form inclusion sema obeka de ache ne ka be nya didi atem ye ni atem we ye fan ye ni atem ye kan sema ebebo akra be nima nkoyi kwa na woto asa obekata so obeka ni meyi na nima nso akoyi okay sanity the table no before some ba homa no so no table no nyame admo tina me ba me de betudwa na emu Asante Kotoko eda so da baby omoda na ma me check him fama Asante Kotoko aba 11th position amukuta 40 points and has what 12 position or 38 points nyame admo tina obebo nti sanity nti nyame admo a tina ye ba na week 30 ngina ba na we ya menya benefi menya benefi medi hu dwumetu so dia banti enya ne sa na efi ye kanema emfa insieni 0322494401 ye ba homa no so 0322494401 0322494771 0322494401 0322494771 good evening.
Bon.
Peter Heba.
Papa no ya wo de ba pa no se ya se awon grama so wa ba na bon.
Peter.
Mama naga besa mi di wie. Oh, aso o mari die ma kotoko akoda for 2-1.
Oh, who did you?
I know me new free esu wono. Research no na ba du fia na me ire aye biga gram mari di ona. Awo ma kotoko ajini ada for pa ko mi ro.
Na sabe Peter me de me nya hwi o. Me.
Oh, aja go si di wori bi ala.
Sister ko so oba.
Aja go so re oba to ayi no. Yes ah. Aja go so bata no me tena o dia oba onye ko na. Are de godogore ya tene de primo dia ya de ara gona ya mamu ye ya agora nya de.
Okay.
Ana ko tene so da mo me ta ke no because ko tene o mo ya.
Oh, Peter.
O me ya na wota.
Na Peter coach the friend say I was up say yes ake no.
Wogumo se hwan no. Wogumo se hwan no wogumo minu bebi ayi da wogumo no ebi ogoba. Ani na wo ma ni ba la husa. Kodo godi esa wudi kodo godi agodi a ene yare ne good for boot o. Wogumo no. So what me wo ba ko team nto no wo ko. Cause what I me turn to maybe afibia santoma and then bia o me fura. Me sra no. What me about team nto. Bon, se ma se ne pa no wo. Ana ole Aja Peter abano ya word mo fe ya to go down so bia ma bai.
Aja Peter Heba. Aja Peter nyime de wa hiti o. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes sir, me pacho din ene ba bia ka sefi.
It is the
Atom. Atom gidi yese na adwuma ni mo ye.
Ya ko parado no ye na onse.
Bibi aboko.
Bonage dia sama ka me to on kana hu dia. Bonage.
Atom.
Mesle open so ye din ko toji e pana so. For any program na we are, yes, next year on pam kotoko players need any coach no on pam yes no. Big team here and yes na koto ayi.
Atom.
Again.
Atomiti.
Comment from the one. And before no second half of Federal Bonage, but commentary to coach no momentary to me, to Canada. Coach no Lana, Pano,
okay.
Again, I go to drama, any more
good evening.
I tell move. Utimunyasa.
Oyibo na
kwani kiti papa. Musi akoble kuma akoto. Uko ya uza mo ni ubo do unti asie. Omaji kana sa asemu last minute. Asemu okotoko. Mami mo tamobodu ni team breku Chelsea mami mo ma baso. Ene ya kase bo afu ni pa. Bo afu kotoko. Mami sura bon sam. Ena bon sam wa go di kotoko echi no. Ama me nya di papa. Na wo koble kwa. Yesi ye be show. Na wo ya no pampa ya ntimi show. Won ka wa no tu. Ba nko fa draw. Omo ni fa draw na ma bo awi o. Koble ku start for na ma wi bia no mo hu se. 90th minute the left is the so no. I do start am na ble na ba. Start na trauma ya Sunday. Start no. A trauma has of Sunday. This is a ball pretty much I said 9 no. A Canadian now for pa. Omumla. Omubas omunka omupa 3 points ni mae. Na kotoko dia. Oma pa. Udu kotoko awina no ma lusu.
Oyibo. Ya na obi baby. Oyibo wini me results no men kan chi.
No be no boso mame.
Men kan chi do.
Kotoko atese.
Oyibo men kan chi do.
Omuda house at 210.
Yokwe.
That's penny.
Madze. Ay, oyibo ni.
That's penny. Sunday. Sunday, Saturday not to.
Madze.
No not to.
Madze. Good evening. Hello, good evening. Oh, Ujinasu, whatever my customer, my wife. Good evening. I'm in five. Yes, sir. Kwaku Asumeduniana. Okay, Kwaku will meet you when you may.
Now, I'm about to party. I guess you're going to go to Papa. Yeah, make sure that course one, and I'm in your coverage will do. Empty or about this two for Mamiciano. Namichul, for Jacques, and move for Children. We are 340 by 2 for Mamiciano. Now, make sure to Tita Full as a Abutene Senior. Football, the woman, others will not grow, obey the Belusu. If you are losing, you are making a mess, you certainly can. Now, I could that was any and Kofuka. I'm going to ask Kenya, baby, or your quite John and looking at the Yadi and come away. Now, Musu, or much how much to Bob Bamla Park and so. You might have got it for San Calcumantio now. You see, Molly can look at the baby, and no man, you are equally Kamakama. Mamma Chabiga about us down. You children from Mamma Chamba as a baba.
Okay, Kwaku Asumedumi Sumeda as a panso or Mamma Kwaman and the female Fabi and Femme Fido. Good evening.
Good evening.
It's our cousin.
What again, you?
It's our cousin.
One boy near.
It's our cousin.
One again, you.
I don't know anywhere near agency.
Oh, and what say you believe there when you? Yeah, you lose why around. Yeah, we need you lose why near it.
No, no, sister course. The last time I was elusive Malibon City, sir, come you know, Obaha. Usu.
What am I by Jubam number?
Debbie, Oba, ready, Ofle say, I know Usu. Who have you?
I know the chum.
Well, you're queer,
I know the chum, and there are some that.
Okay, I see one so I can make bonus say I'm a wow.
Oh, boy, yes, sir.
But so say, and then the trouble the Amijitum to your queen.
What's that? What's it? A dear Mumokua, a Samba house. I dear Mumoko do it. And then you really, and then you really more picture the canning, one day I am. More picture the canning. More than I am. Kwa sima disa se mo ba na mo disu mu se ya na asum di aba wow
is that good
asanto di man what the BNC ye mini asa ede Peter fufo na ye ready to chavidi BNC ye na tuna ye ko ribi ya mat no
za
ai
na me admo chawe no amisu wa ha o
misu she
ojidi
se de aka na ye nkonko a o
is there so any man ko ya wo ba asimba kwa wo kan ye boys no e bia o chena be sesa de eminim
friends ta se ne boys ni asidi dia se ye ni ya na mu kwa
mate
se de aka ni win kwa o
mate
BBNC bo na ni nyame nya adwuma
nyankopon so kan wo pa fa mami. Okay, good evening.
Yes sir
me pa chodin ni be bia ka sefri
we dey wa oba wo fa ti wa dey nya Robert.
Hey, okay,
grandpa.
Robert. Okay, mobile movie be 4 matches to us we catch them me say mo betumi agi league ma mo ntumi anya league na o do be ma beto so na o de kutwi kuro ni na ho de ehia
oh my me no original jele kwa na ye
o se why
oh me no original ye
on maye
yeah.
Video no
it's a bit of thing to say you catch
video no
oh but it's up me to that no
Robert Mate ya fa send me de ye ku ye ni me why
na me pa so anyimu we wo bi wo ho ajibon
Yakoye.
Damai.
Yes, sir.
The person you will go, I just go.
Ebi oba.
I don't go about my watch. Na oje ade Coach Bodi aye. Hwe go yeso. Hwe go yeso. Oya mi susme. Susu bu afu. Hwe ba. Bodi aye jumeni ya. What I say? Edi as the post supporters, you need to papa. So you got to go for the mamo. But I mean, I do to a china. As a folk, yes, you do to also. Never be able to have a media. Maybe I go to two. Made out the pie. I'm Michelle.
Mensa Medase. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Good evening.
Hello.
Bonnie A. Bonnie A. Ebony. Ebony.
What?
Yeah, feelings in it to say.
The feeling is the deep.
The feelings is what?
Deep.
Beat.
Deep.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ebony, I'm listening to you. Let's go.
Okay. Let me greet your members to your studio. And then your crew, everybody there greet everybody there for me. And then let me greet my lovely wife, Matilda. The work is cross research for sure. Matilda, also listening to you this evening. I greeting to you. I hope that you dare to listen. Yeah, Matilda. Good evening. And then clear do gas will be Shambhala Kasian opposite police station back. Clear do. And greet them. Boss, today I'm happy myself because I told you that me, the go to play a game and then a loss. I'm happy. My wife is not going to single the food for me. I'm done. Can you hear me clearly?
Ebony, I'm listening to you.
So if you are happy for now, please happy yourself because Hearts go to Blackpool Chelsea go to score 3 goals to nothing. Our supporters come to here say that Coach Samobodu is a darling boy for Hearts. That's why you see say Hearts go to beat Blackpool Chelsea. Now, today is Koroko Day. You go there, then the Blackpool Chelsea come to beat you. The Blackpool Chelsea team is not small crap. It's a big crap. When you go there, you not go to do the right thing. The team is beating you, but has go to do a right thing. No, has go to score. So if you go there to take the 3 points and the 2 goals, blah, it's not easy. It's easier until today that you go to score. Are you very clear?
Yeah.
So if you have fun, happy yourself. So go there to a sale, and then the Chelsea is happy. Are you hear me? So not coming here to come to here that coach is not good, the players is not good, the referee is going to see them. It's not true because you think it's not good. Now you see, sir, coming Sunday, coming Sunday.
What is tomorrow? Tomorrow,
coming Sunday, tomorrow.
You are talking about next week, eh?
Yeah, next week.
Okay, next week Sunday, Asante Kotoko versus House of Folk.
Yes.
Baba Yara Sports.
Yes. If Kotoko supporters is cry.
So you mean you are going to square Asante Kotoko if God permits next week Sunday?
Bahu Kokruk. Bahu Kokruk. Has to go to this Kotoko Sunday. This coming Sunday week.
Oh, okay.
So when you see the supporters cry, you will see the coach, head coach.
Ebony. Why don't you wait for tomorrow after tomorrow's match?
Tomorrow game is a issue game.
Yeah, so after tomorrow's match, then you talk about if God permit next week.
Please. I tell you this evening that tomorrow match has to go to a play. No, it's a cheap match for us.
Playing the Diana Stars is a cheap match.
Yes.
Ebony, playing the Diana Stars again.
This match is a cheap.
So can you predict the game for me?
I don't go to play a game for you, but I see the game is has to go to beat Diana tomorrow.
Oh, okay. So you don't care about any scoreline.
I don't care about any scoreline because I don't care for my father go to disturb my mother. I see this man is my brother or my sister.
Okay, Ebony, someone has come on the line, so let me.
Yeah, so let me land here. Tell house supporters tomorrow is a happy day for house supporters. So pray for a good answer to players.
Ebony says tomorrow's match is a cheap match for the Continental Club Masters. So every house of fan will be happy today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's a non cheap.
Okay.
Non cheap.
So this okay. Everyone know the moment for me.
Yeah. Look at us non cheap. Yes, pastor no. And it's a non cheap.
Okay. Ebony.
Boss.
If God permit tomorrow, I will pick call same time. So.
Yes. I know, sir. You stay here to take the course.
Okay.
We also tell you that yesterday we see the answer to you. This is the what you can guy.
Yeah. Mama family. Yeah, but mama family. Why? And the mama time.
And I want to get me on the phone calls now.
There be nyabo today. On say the mama time.
Oh, na so the mama.
Na one be walk be 10 minutes. Mama, why? What you can do for be a pay.
Blah. Me say me ma ofi dey su man kan say o man time da. Ni dey man ka.
Na no ba ko ba na me twa so ti an say bon dey tell me. Oh, mama nkasa mo no say.
Oh, sir, make us
say. What dey me no say intensity there. Ayana me ni gidi ya wo ye ho. Edu an opa bia me hu say wo de order bi to platform so wo Kenya me sem. Anas wo kan kwanhye sem di chiro bia. Nyame hia because na yes ade no. Why?
Nyame hia babla. So me ba onyam ho abo. De me ho ahomete.
Me da say.
Good evening. Good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Nipa ni jaso de.
Yes sir, me pacho di ni be bia ka sefi.
Bla. Mi dia ni kwaju bugu atusu make.
Oh, kwaju.
Ene pensel uba tu na kefia. E papa bo mu ejumu ate. O pa FM. Ene pensel. O pie deja. Ntu ayi pa de. O ku na deja. Nani ṣe asema akupẹ ni ẹbẹ fẹsẹ ìkúrú ti kóòtù ojú ìfẹ́ wọn ti ẹsẹ̀ yìí yà ètò kóòtù yẹn kó bọ̀ bọ̀ nù díẹ̀ ní báwo ní sẹ́ fẹ́sẹ̀ àfọ̀ ẹ̀yẹ dúró bí aṣọ wọn wá sẹ́kẹ̀ àfọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ mu nù ó yẹ kí ṣéǹjì bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ẹ̀ ń tà ní ọ̀wà tààrà náà wọ́n ní bàálẹ̀ díẹ̀ ní wọ́n bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní sẹ́ sábọ̀ ni yẹ kó bọ̀ nù yẹn ní ẹ̀bùrẹ̀ nti ko ye ko ne ko wuye ke yi baba ba ji ya support them na ko ye ta ke yi ce amma haba da ba ce ko ci ani fe ya su ya mu fili se so mu ti mo ko ye ko ma sha san go mu yo na mu ko me sina mu fi yo so mu ko because yan here kuma me se ti no e ma ye mro obi anu anu che ka Odi ntweka ntisie ba de sika da boti ni na sha mo ko bobo na sha mo bobo tuka mu ye mo bobo edima ye ka ti o mo na me edima chena na wo tie e wo tell mo ene bobo se coach anse samantie so man sha la enya because ye ba ni ye serious le ba nti sɛ woyɛ player ne yɛbu bɛtim na sɛ woanti ha sɛ wɔ mo ɔmo nya sɛ bɔdɔ yɛmpɛ draw baabi a yɛpɛre because coach no yɛ akoma na wɔsɛ no mede no wɔte tia sa no coach ada coach yɛ paakyɛw yɛmpɛ no bɛnya asɛm ɛkyerɛ no a wɔkyeɛ mekisrɛ sɛ saa match wei yɛa ne yɛbɛbɔ sɛ coach wɔnti ase a ɛyina sinkyɛn ne yɛ supporters no yɛankase abɔbɔ no because saa match wei yɛyɛ paa yɛyɛ woyɛ sɛ lusu saa match wɔ hɔ bi mu yɛ lusu saa match no nti yɛka sɛ boys no ɛne support yɛ nyinaa mmra sɛ mbim yɛmɛ sɔma ɛyɛ di a ne yɛbɛhyɛ woyɛ sɛ di nkukuo bra toa so
Poko medase last caller good evening me pacha hwan ni o me pacha di ne yesai we do the okay me pacha meti o
but me amba mention that so my auntie bye and then you know about what I want to hear for my phone.
Oh, okay. Intino. Oh, share boys in France and Yamia one this week. Money has airbo. Or money be a son to marry in the amamo.
Yeah, no, my idea be idea Shabbos.
Oh,
it's my own mother.
Oh, okay. Me pacho me da se pa. We say within ni baby o define the one can be alpha home.
Everything come.
Everything come with the answer. You Mate. Why? Mate. Oh, Korea Bache. Oh, my main fan. Good evening.
Born again.
Anane.
The great born again Bakope.
Anane Samuel.
The great born again Bakope.
Anane Samuel.
Allah. Champion born again Bakope.
Anane Samuel. Kunsu Kojuku for Nina Hoye.
Oh, born again. Udru Hadia. As usual. Don't go to the party more de papa. And to do the part, your friend Yago. Obia Degum. Obia Degum. What Oche or FM 100.7 the whole Ghana or number 1.
Okay, Anane, I can make a question now for the minister won't put my face. My minty Kakrebi.
I would have been born to partner becoming Ma Yenda Kotin Nafi. My answer, the committee is match Kotua. Not take a class and take a and tank of Union. And the air one said, yeah, no bad thing. Because coach now with Nada Gadama communication or has me. And I bring you Shakotokwa, so coach Tino to Shakotokwa. Ana no Jemare. And she lose way about any class, coach in me players, no. One country of young show me crying. Next week, the channel Oche, Kumasi Baba last what to do. That much you actually be 1 March. Because why you think of one and you got all your quarter 2 years because I league that so a womb. And your top one is ever bought and one and in bed, Yamaka, and I'm telling you, any corner bathroom to
I don't know to me.
But I with you.
What's a born amount to didn't say?
One or actually for the form match. Because match went here. One. Now all of the got the post me. Now you want to quote number 2 now Lante. Ejambi na wa Nurdin Munya Jam na Kalu and Steven Tesimu Kuala Babaya na wa Nokumolson na wa Azekopon Nema Pitami Amidwakwa na Saudi we mini apatatu muba now the Kosinke Chamoba na ode Greek Otaga Moba Lenda Intengomo na so the for the format bra.
Okay. Anane na for the format mate why na kame hese course na medibisi na sana wadi o okay last caller me pacho dini baby aka safely
hello
me pacho ona wa last caller obie ni ho me pacho ma mo friend no fanche atom ni ana
me pacho factory pa atom na aba no
atom on se me person me fa obi on se we kura nem ni se obi na aba wada
na pacho yes, Peppa Joe, and she be phone calls to the Tumusea. Protocol players, coach Diana, or Mutiana. born again if I so you see pa titro etia no mu tie bia na
omotin simbia 100.7 FM 102.7 yebeka bia omuti bi
ezimo se opo bi dia kole sikasa yebeka nyina de no ko bola no ma side yes never bye
Mate
next week before match online
Mate Atom
okay first match
what's it
okay first match score na me ma hono
first match in the year open the team and
me players ni answer di
ni na to
dollar ni me change kakla omu me see e be che 2 goals e be che 1 na ya 3-1 ena e ko ya sleep pass dollar ni dey format me be ma wa
za Mate. Okay, Mr. Mama for the Monfanche. Medidi kura ko mo time. We say nyomba wa kwemu. Enyum ni sia na no nsia kase bo aba beto aso. No nsia kase bo no nsu wi na akuafo chefa. Monabo Richmond Frimpons weba be dia kunya no fi kesim ha na wodi akuafo chefa dwumedi everyday be ekoso Saturday no etumi so de aba nti me sorry die enyom ne beba wa akwem enyom ni siye na chese no nsia kase bo aba beto aso me gidi se Jimmy wo ho Jimmy so wo ho tomo beba beto aso na said na me kan se nyame yadman next week yebekọ no medical de atomo nim se nyame yadman next week Asante Kotoko ene has ena airball Sunday na adwumedi ne betimi so abaso ochine week na ensihye ba akwa me de anase opportunity am de ma me listeners every day bi omuti a omo so mo frɛ ba adwumedi no so ene se me pechitafo amaye die harder omo be studio se ana chese omo ahofesuo no so we ya has ni ana ahofesuo no ese has moya Asante Kotoko ahofesuo na de be studios no esa Asante Kotoko na meka se me de number betu dwa se de be ya mo betumi afre me na afi hihye bia wo bia metumi so de ama se de be ya o best studio on so be hu ekwan ya obefa so a obeba nti Sunday de a big game the Ghana version of El Clasico has Asante Kotoko has nti me penipa ennan oba baako for house oba ebema baako for house oba baako for Asante Kotoko ebema baako for Asante Kotoko tinyame yadma mama wa hofesu abetumi address it Asante we yet teni pa no me ya no wa fe number we na fi account say me ye selective na say account so betu ye pekewa na so betumi abanye so betumi awinya peke on kwa de abeba o disappointing so de asemato because I say be a man, a penalty, mobile, if you did home come match in a big game, a better sentence. No, me no in your bob pounds in Madrasa, and I say Bob Payma, no me no Bob Payma. Any basin conya near dear born home come Wednesday be a sister Kusu tia, no can has in same. A be a Santuana, Madame Mata, and I say in Obia, not just a walk can has in same. Now what say, and I will enjoy Bono. Na obi betumi anya broken heart wa hanfo de anani o wa benya broken heart yes memma why yes reto a wose de bi yehemi a me ti answer yehemi a menya akoma yale de bi ye de yem passing bi wa ha ye pedi akiri din o hye ne kwa akoma ne wo ho ye mpeso bi ba na bi abe makoma ade ya hye Kotoko ade ya hye has de bi it is sanity. Nti ya no afa number we say number main face here your main face here number no 055 72 555 42 055 72 555 42 ofemi a yebidi nkomo nemu main face here ebono nson ede ekwa na wafle na fitting on so kwapem next week Saturday because match na Sunday same pen menfe no ofre because of will be amfa so be say bono so de kwa na wa fe na efi me yedi nkomo na yɛde waba studio na afei waba bɛdi team ne ho nkɔmmɔ yɛde team ne ho nkɔmmɔ ahead of game the Ghana version of Classico a yɛba so nyame yɛadoma next week na afei aha yɛ dɛ menim sɛ ha bɛ ɛyɛ big game because wo check a has ɛwɔ 38 points 12 position dubaako no yɛ Asante Kotoko 40 points nti sɛ nyame yɛadoma no sɛ ɔkyena has ɛhyɛ a ɔbɛba bɛtwe Asante Kotoko no wɔnya 41 na Kotoko anya 40 has bodra obeba 39 na Kotoko awo 40 has lusu obewa 38 na Kotoko awo 40 so ti nyame ya watch na Sunday match na dey crucial game pa nti no aya no maye ne sa na efi me ye ho kwan ye be fa so ye de wo studio na efi maba na efi ye de ho komo we ya de me ye de ma me ne metie fo aya na de mo ye ne mani so ye pa nyakopo nhyida mo nyina na efi onye mo nyina kese emfa emma me ti number na me de atudwa etumi so de ama won nti aya no ma fe ebo no so de kwa na efi ye de nkomo wa homa no so na efi ye ho de betumi so aye okay ye de jomedi na se ye bo hye be electricals na so ya me de commentary na ebaye nti ya no wewulo mu na efi woni ye da frank bo etumi so de nkomo na efi mo etumi so abo number na 0541125339 0541125339 ofly bibia so betumi so akoyi mamenchi ame maame ba akopa ono so ewo akwatia lie wono na Grace R Cosmetics enso ye ne dia Grace R Cosmetics ne dia ewo akwatia lie intina ma nyankupo nhyira na wanya okese se everyday bia gosu de wa fidie no so etro ye pa 100.7 FM everyday bia onso ma manfo a omo to wa de ho omo ba omo twem omo so etumi so enjoy commenting intina Madam Abena Techi ewo akwatia lie oben Old King Fisa office no ehoya ana Madam Abena Techi wa everyday bia no so de ne radio ne to monitor programs ahodo ni nyina nti Madam Abena Techi nyakopo nhyira na onyo okese penti Madam Abena Techi ewo akwatia lie Nuku a big acquis man and Mijidi say atanzo monitor commentary every day be 24/7 atanzo monitor commentary din obana na me we finidi nak na kaime obani din obana no so te shop na no ya na me we finidi it no o mention ameti nte ya no wa mention na mate why ti Madam Abena Techi nyankopo nhyira na efe wonye okese pa na wonye wakoma so de nyina ma wona Grace R Cosmetics ye ode ya wo bi wotafo kurufum na efe mi ayi bibili na nyankopo nka ho na wonye okese na adwuma pa wo ye e wakwetiala shop no so pa wona manfo kutu cosmetics awudu ni perfumes ni nkum ene wona ma nemani na Madam Abena Techi nyumle mesali tu wate nyankopo nhyira na wonye okese pa mfa emma me okay messages ahodo so by Facebook messages I would be by baby nane by my mini win friend from my mimu budin efi nyame yad mo chane ya to so e dey free wo Kofi Isaac message no so e by Jabiru Muhammad me Jabiru wo United States of America US Jabiru bibia bokọ de me je dey say bibia you fine Jabiru we aho no comment kire Jabiru we aho ntina mo be ni dey Thomas Dozy also the Nadian so eba coming next Sunday is a cheap game for a class for okay okay Thomas Matiwai bibia very fine Thomas hey now why the message about you near one and in the visit aba okay and bibia very fine into sanity nyame aduma ochina yes sounds to be share same studio na yeah the has any Adriana Stars game no live commentary etumi so dey aba ofe eba betena se na efi watoa so e dey afiri ho commentary no nyame admo china ofe ene betumi so dey e dey commentary no beba nkeka we ade yi ma nti over ya na waba be check na efi aso so why what they stop bibia na be hwe na because atensa aba maybe bia wo be share me bia ya na afa me born again ti we how they stop bibia na stop YouTube ni bibia why